Let's go. Good morning, Texas, 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 Texas. Bullfrogging. Good morning, Scooter. Of course. Roger. Of course. Good morning, guys. Christine. Good morning. Good morning, Corey. Caesar. Good morning. Good morning, X. Good morning, William. Good morning, Yami. Good morning, John. Good morning. Good morning, Doug. Good morning, BTC. Good morning, Just Chilling Martin. Good morning, guys. Robert, top of the morning to you as well. There's Good morning, Rajiv. Rajiv. Good morning. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. Comment ça va? Ça va bien? Craig, good morning, Trick. You what in your couch? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Crypto Rocketeer, good morning, guys. Welcome to a good new day. Top of the morning, Johnny. So the market's selling off a little bit this morning, just like we talked about, right? So again, Monday, Tuesday sell off, right? And hopefully the Fed can save us tomorrow, and we can recover, right? So would be good to see the Fed, guys. First meeting of the year to talk about interest rates, right? Inflation, one whatnot. So hopefully, Alex, good morning. Hopefully it's a bounce. Hopefully it's a. Maybe we can get. Maybe if we can go from red to green today, that'd be nice too, right? Red to green, please. Red to green today. From reds to green, or crash tomorrow, Robert. We'll see what happens, right? We'll see what happens, right? So again, the market has been struggling because of interest rates, and they're gonna give us a date tomorrow. So what happens tomorrow? We'll see, right? Colin, good morning. Juan, Grand Rising, good morning. Tesh, good morning. Come on, J Power, do something. Big Daddy Power, save us one more time. Yeah. Again, so the hope is for tomorrow. Uh, right? The hope is for tomorrow that people realize that maybe they're overreacting, right? So again, we just have to wait and see. But the hope is that we people can realize that okay, well, maybe we're just overreacting. We've known this news for the last few months now that the Fed is going to raise interest rates. So maybe no more panicking, please. No more panicking, right? Hopefully, Rich, what up? What up? Yo, T Money, good morning. Good morning. D Stewie, good morning. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Happy Tuesday. Um, Hugh, good morning. Will you be streaming J Power tomorrow? Yes. It's huge. Like it's huge, huge news, right, Hugh? So we're gonna have to if it's live. It's again if it's live. If not, again, so all those statements are gonna be coming through. They're just statements, right? They're all gonna be coming through in Discord. So if you take a look at the Twitter stock channel there, all those articles, like all the headlines from the Fed, they're gonna be coming through, so you can see exactly what they're saying, right? So yeah, Carlos, Carlos, good morning. Carlos, yep. Carlos, do you know someone called Kevin? Yep. Uh, Good morning, Varys. I got my popcorn ready for tomorrow. For tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow's gonna be huge, right? It's gonna be telling for like stocks and crypto, right? Stocks sold off for the same reason, crypto same reason. So yeah, popcorn ready for tomorrow, ready for the fight. Elon Musk, I know, right? That's that's interesting. That should be again. So if you're McDonald's, right? If you're McDonald's and you get a tweet from Elon Musk saying, if you accept Dogecoin, I will eat a Happy Meal on TV, right? Why not? If you're McDonald's and Elon Musk, the richest person, right, is saying, yeah, accept Dogecoin. Why wouldn't you? Is my question. Good morning, Crystal. Yeah, yo, 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 yo. Good morning, guys. I do not know Kevin yet, but he has a cool last name. That's what I was wondering, Kevin. Carlos. Not coming to the rescue. Sorry. Oh, he's not coming to the rescue, Roger. Yeah, we'll just have to wait and see. Huge news: the McDonald's Dogecoin news could be real. Could be real. Trick. Yeah, that would pump up Dogecoin really nicely, right? So yeah, I mean, at some point these companies are gonna have to, right? So McDonald's, the McDoge burger, McDoge, Merc Happy Doge meal. Yeah, there you go, Trick. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully, guys. So again, Elon Musk saying, hey McDonald's, if you accept Dogecoin, I will eat a Happy Meal. Like the McDoge, yeah, you do. Okay, yeah, McDoge. The Doge burger. Let me see if I can go over to Twitter actually and take a look. How much time do we have? We have plenty of time actually. Plenty of it. Let me refresh this page one more time here. Make sure nothing's changed. Nothing really. Nothing special on this list. So we can take a look at pre-market movers here. SRRA, right? So Sierra Oncology. Where's Sierra? And then APM. So APM doesn't have any news, not that I've seen. Not that yeah. So APM here, we can take a look. We looked at this one a few days ago. Those levels should be in already, and then anything else on here really. So CKPT here. So posted that the article in Discord. I know I know some of you guys have been trading. Where is it? It's not on here anymore. Um, it's not on there anymore, so I'm just gonna ignore that for now. There's just not enough volume, guys. I'm right. Just nothing. Look at the volume here. 3 point for the top gainer. You're looking at 4 million, right? 7 million there. Usually when the market is fun, and pumping, you see like 30 million pre-market. You see 20 million, the tens, like all over the place. Now you're having stocks on here with 2,000 shares pre-market, right? 227K. It's just not a whole lot. So Scotty, good morning, Scotty. Good morning, Dustin. Let's go. Mhm. Yeah, they go, Hugh, right? So TKLF, that's what I'm looking for. I know some of you guys have been trading that one this morning, right? So yeah, TKLF, what I'm looking for. TKLF. We can take a look at that as well. It's no longer on the list, but yeah, we can take a look at the chart and nah, let's go, Scotty. I still wanna spend it. What are you not spending? Oh, your Doge. You're not gonna spend your Doge if he said. Let me take a look at Elon's page here. Elon. No, 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 no. Some of these tweets, honestly, there's the tweet, guys, right? So, me. Wow, look at Elon's tweet, guys. Look at that. That's Elon Musk. He's like, good tweet. Me. Cowards just give the like. I retweet. Unbelievable. Good morning, Cortez. Um, this could really take Doge to $1 if McDonald's accepts it. Accepts Doge. I mean, why not? Why not? Right. So, be yourself. That's funny, guys. That's a tweet from Elon Musk. So society says, "Be yourself." Society, no, not like that. Can't be yourself like that. That's not your roast. That not like that. But this is the tweet, guys. That's it, right? So again, I will eat a Happy Meal on TV if McDonald's accepts Dogecoin, guys. And now everybody's spamming make Doge. Everybody wants McDonald's now. Can you guys see that? Yeah, you should be able to, right? So look at that. So that's the tweet, guys, for McDonald's. Mhm. Good morning, chef man. Mhm. That's funny. Good morning, guys. Elon loves playing with Doge. La la la. Here you go. Did someone say McDonald's? Asked Stewart. Yeah, we're just looking at McDonald's and the tweets and talking a little bit about Doge before we get into all the rubbish. All the rubbish, guys. So reminder, if you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, take a second to smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you want to become a member, come join us. Come join us in Discord. The membership link is pinned at the top. Elon loves yo. So while we're looking at that, we have a little bit of time, 20 minutes left before the market opens, so we have time. But the S&P selling off nicely, right? Again, we talked about this sell off Monday, Tuesday, right? And hopefully something happens on Wednesday with the Fed. People saying, okay, well, overreaction, right? So can we recover now, right? So again, hopefully this is it. Hopefully, a little bit, something to help us out. So again, sell off Monday, Tuesday, right? Maybe even red to green today. That'd be nice, right? Red to green would be perfect. Uh, let's see here. What's that? Have you hit the like today? Let's go, Devin. Come on. No, not gonna pay with crypto. That's a scam. Musty says I'm not gonna pay with crypto. I don't know what to tell you, Musty. Right? So I'm sure that people that it's not about like it's not necessarily about it's not necessarily about like you know, if you take a look at most of these headlines when it comes to crypto, right? For example, like Robinhood as well with Shiba, it's like it's less about the actual like thing, right? More about the hype around it. That's all we're looking for, right? It's more about the hype that's going to come around Dogecoin that's going to pump it higher, right? So with Robinhood, same thing, right? It's more about the hype around Robinhood that's going to pump Shiba higher. It's the FOMO factor, right? FOMO factor. About to sell my AMC, about to sell my AMC $12 and Tesla $800 average cost. I'm tired of it, Juan. You're tired of your AMC? Okay, yeah. That's frustrating. From 12 all the way to back to 12, back almost to some. Yeah, it's annoying. Bought a pizza years back with BTC. It was $6. Look how much the pizza would have been worth now. Look how much the pizza would have been worth now. Unbelievable. Look how much the pizza. Um, let's see here. Mm, Let me see. I just want to quickly see if I can edit some stuff here before we get going. Mm, mm, Oh, 1 second, guys. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Um, there you go. Alrighty. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Tech. Good morning, guys. Alrighty, you guys ready? Let's take a look at some of these names. What will happen with Doge if we spend it? McDonald's and Tesla get richer. Smart money on Dogecoin. Yeah, I mean that's usually the intention, right? So most of the time for these guys, though, it's all about hype, right? McDonald's doesn't need hype. They don't care about hype. McDonald's makes gains. Whether they accept Doge or not, they're gonna make gains, right? They're still gonna sell. Right, they're still gonna be rich, right? So maybe that's why it's a little bit hesitant for most of these companies. For example, like a Robinhood or an Amazon to accept Doge or Shiba, right? Because it's about hype, right? For the most part, and they don't need any of that, right? So Amazon, I mean, Amazon does Amazon need any hype? Nope. With Doge or whereas you take a look at the companies that do accept Dogecoin and Shiba, right? Those guys need help, right? So, for example, New Egg, right? They're looking for hype, right? So, yeah, ever have a meet and greet? We will need this music. We will. Okay, sounds good. Diamond. So again, it's about hype. Have you seen the McDonald's movie? Very interesting watch. McDonald's movie. Oh yeah, I have. I saw that a long time ago in high school. It's been years since I've had McDonald's. Facts. Yeah, there you go, Juan. Should I start selling a BBIG Mac McDonald's more? There should BBIG Mac. Yeah, again, BBIG is struggling. The effect, BBIG is struggling, just like everything else in the market. So it's not like BBIG is just struggling on its own. No, it's everything, right? I mean, if Tesla can struggle, Apple can struggle. Who's BBIG, right? So, yeah. No, McDoge for hot rates. You need 10%. McDoge. No, McDoge has been a thing for a while though. Like McDoge has been around for a while now. Maybe you mentioned it, but it's yeah. BBIG Mac, BBIG Mac, Roger is what we're playing with now. BBIG Mac, guys. Um, BBIG Mac. That's funny. Alrighty, guys. So again, pre-market movers. We talked about SRRA, right? So Sierra Oncology up 46% here. I'm going to refresh this one more time, one last time here, and make sure nothing's changed. No, still the same list, right? So we're up 54% now for wow, that thing's going, right? It's actually moving nicely here. So top gainer here, guys, 54%, right? 5 million in volume. This one was posted in Discord a little bit earlier this morning. Um, in terms of why these guys are moving this morning, it's because of this, right? So Sierra, where is it? So this right? So Sierra Oncology announces memo. What's in it? Achieved status. Okay, I'm gonna skip all of that, guys. And get to here. La 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 la. Yeah, there's another article that I actually liked over this. It went into more detail. Uh, it's cool when we read like headlines, right? And they can give us exactly what it is, right? Um, but sometimes, let me see here. Let me go back here. There's a better one actually. So Sierra Oncology enters into long-term agreement with Oxford Finance. That's not it either. Again, so basically what they're saying here though is the study met endpoints, right? So again, whatever study they were carrying out met endpoints, and that's why this thing is pumping here this morning. We can take a look at the chart for this thing and then go from there. We're actually gonna do. We can do that later. So again, and then we have APM, right? So APM, another name here that we talked about not too long ago, a few days ago. Beautiful people, Dan, let's go. Just chilling, let's go. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So APM here is moving. Last time I checked, there wasn't any news, so I'm gonna quickly refresh this and make sure nothing's changed. La, 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 la. Come on, refresh, refresh, refresh. Anything? No, nothing's changed, right? So again, APM, no news. Is there anything else on this list you guys want to take a look at, guys? So again, for me, the top two here were SRA, right? Up 54% now. APM moving nicely as well, right? Anything else on here? I know we looked at this one earlier. CKPT here. The article was posted in Discord. The whole reason is this, right? So CPK, so Checkpoint Therapeutics announces top line results from registration, enabling trial of more names. Study met primary endpoint with a 47% objective response rate, right? So, which one is that, Robert? Mm, relic. Don't see it on here. Don't see it on here. Interesting. I can take a look at the chart. You want to take a look at this one? For $36. My only concern, Regina, is the lack of volume. We can take a look, right? It's up 24% here. Top again, so top three though. 400,000 in volume, right? $36 here. Let me take a look at the news. So the whole reason why this thing is moving is because of the unknown. Magic. Magic. I'll take a look at the chart though, Regina. I'll take a look at the chart here. So again, it's up 25%, right? We can take a look at the chart. Most of the time, that's more important, anyways, right? The technical analysis part of it. So we can take a look at that. PR soon log. Okay, there, Dare PR. Okay, on your list. I just did well yesterday, Robert. Okay, I'll take a look at those names. I'm just looking at this list now, and once we get to the charts, we can take a look at more stuff. Peace. Please, I'll take a look then. I'll have to take a look once I get to the charts, guys. So again, it's not on here yet. It's not on here at all. So let's do some whatever. La, la, la. My family had a own a McDonald's in the '60s, but we turned it down. Have no idea why, Trick. You guys turned out a McDonald's. Wow, yeah. Um, it is what it is. Think we've all like missed a lot of opportunities since just in general. So let's take a look at some charts here, guys. The S&P is trying to recover here into the open. It's trying. This thing sold off as much as like 131 here earlier this morning, right? So it's trying to recover here slowly. It's a nice sell off pre market here, right? So and this thing is gonna drag everything with it at the open as well. So it is what it is. Peloton, as that thing bounces, Peloton is going to bounce as well. So Peloton trying there. AMC down 4.3% here. So red. So it is what it is, right? Let me take a look at some of these names here, guys. I know Regina was asking for this one here. So let's do that. So these guys are gapping up 24% this morning. Let me take a look at the daily here. Daily. My concern here with this is the fact that this thing was clearly selling up before this news came out, right? So again, for the last week or so, it's been falling, like it's been falling hard. It's up 25% now, which is amazing. But I would need it to break above, like you needed to break clear this level of resistance here, right? So you take a look, you notice that this level here, that this little range here is important, right? So we might just find resistance here and then retrace. So I'm not sure if you're in a position. If you are, and then that's a different question. But this thing needs to clear $38 here, right? So you can see again on the way up here last time, right? Fail once, sold off, push, fail again twice, sold off again, and fail for the third time, right? Up this $38 level. So again, we're gapping up this morning and pushing for that level, right? So I'd be a little bit cautious, right? So we just because we failed at this level three times already, so I might just be a little bit patient there, right? So yeah, guys, smash a like. So let me take a look at pay here. No, pay. Payments. Yeah, if you ask some questions and you have you can give me a, like in terms of like what your position is, it really helps. So this thing has support here at $23, right? So $23, not a bad level at all. It hasn't been around for that long, but for the time that this thing has been on the market, you can see that 23 has been a level, right? So 23 here, right? 23 bounce once, twice, right? So three times we bounce up 23 there. Fast forward, push all the way to $37, come back to $23 again yesterday, right? Hit 23 yesterday and then pushed all the way to 26, right? So again, this level here around 23 seems to be your level, right? Seems to be the level. In terms of resistance here, we need to get back above 26. Well, is that 26 actually? So we need to hold 26, right? So hold 26 and then you're looking for $27 there for pace. The ticket space, okay. Pace? Actually, maybe we found something. We found something. A gem is in pace. So you're holding pace. Okay. For this one here, it's trying to form somewhat of an inverse head and shoulder here. I just want to quickly zoom out here and see what this looks like here. La la la. What's that? So you're looking at this level here on the left hand side, right? So you can see this support here at $1.40. $1.40. Are you in a position, Trick? Let me know if you are. Right. So again, $1.40 held that level there, so that's cool. And then we're finding support here at $1.80 now, which is amazing, right? So you'd like for this thing to consolidate and sit above $2. Peace signs, Richie. Okay, Richie. Edwin, let's go. Enjoying the bloodbath. Yeah, the Fed is not helping. These interest rates, right? Again, so what do you think when you keep printing? What happens? Eventually, it's gonna catch up, right? So that's exactly what we're seeing now. It's catching up, right? So people are now starting to realize that okay, well, these interest rates, no goods, right? So again, we talked about this sell off Monday, Tuesday, and hopefully, going to the Fed meeting on Wednesday, we'll see what happens, right? Hopefully, a recovery at some point here. So if not, it is what it is, right? So eventually, we're gonna turn around and bump again. Cycles on cycles. So Richie, let me know what your position is, and I'll take a look. But we need to keep holding. So like, if you're in a position here, would love for this thing to hold above $2. It's amazing that this thing was green yesterday with the market selling off, right? You need to hold above $2 here. You support at $1.80, resistance and a level you'd like to hold above at $2, right? Hold above two, then that's amazing. And then you're looking for 220 next, and then you want to be pushing for these 260 level here. So again, $1.80 as your first level of support, right? To every 20 cents, a dollar 60, right? And then $1.40 here. $1.40 goes a ways back as well, but it'd be nice to hold above $2, right? The morning runner Martin, yeah, we looked at that already. Covered the news on SRRA, right? So we can keep looking at that if you guys want to. We can look at that. Bonjour, BTC. Comment ça va? Bonjour. We have about 5 minutes. Hyperinflation. Gonna be able to take the SAT online by 2024. Yeah. Alrighty, I think we're caught up here, guys. Let me know if you have any more takers that I should look at, guys. Let me know. Think I've looked at what you guys asked for. So let me know if you have any more takers to watch, and we can move on. Hey, good morning, bonjour, good morning, guys. Good to see you all. Let's see here. Let me quickly scan my list to make sure there's nothing else that I should be looking at here. PIXY. Okay, let me take a look at PIXY. Sure. I know PIXY's had a specific level, right, Roger? Like PIXY's been we talked about that 175 quite a bit, right? So 175, and this thing pushed all the way. You can clearly see where resistance is, right, guys? For this name here, again, like PIXY, 175, sell off. PIXY, 175, sell off, right? 175 sold off all the way down again 2 days ago, right? Yesterday, this thing had a nice little run here, right? Back 30. Oh, wow. That's a nice pump. Like PIXY is not giving up, and that's a really good sign, right? So it's really not giving up here. So, and that's amazing, right? Let me see if I can when stuff isn't giving up, um you can almost try and say, okay, well, at some point this thing is gonna explode, right? Which is let me see here. Pixie. I'm just quickly editing. There we go. Yeah, absolutely, Roger. So again, we need to clear this $75 level. It's gapping down slightly here this morning, right? But this might be an interesting watch here, right? Again, so this thing clears 175 and goes for that $2 level. We might see a pump. So Roger, please let me know when this thing is breaking 175 again here, and that volume is coming in. Because yeah, again, I like that we keep testing $2.75 here over and over, right? So if you can clear that level and hold above it, right, and actually stop pushing, right, for $2, it might look really interesting. Like if this thing pushes to $2 here, it might be really interesting to watch, right? So we'll see. We shall see, right? So that's Fixie. It's 28. Good morning, Big Spark. Good morning, Amber. Let's go. AMB. Pro. NNDM. Okay. IMMX turning green. Okay, let me take a look actually. IMMX. We have about 3 minutes left, so we'll say, okay, nice, very nice. So this thing finally turned green here pre-market, right? So it's another name that struggled at that. This thing struggled at that 765 and $8, 765, $7 and that $8 level, right? So and eventually sold off here, right? So it's a low flow ticker. It's a super low flow ticker, right? This thing can really move. So if we can turn around, yeah, absolutely, we can play with this if it wants to, right? Um, Need that volume to come in though, right? So this thing had no volume yesterday, right? Not a whole lot, less than a million in volume, right? So that's not it. When it comes to like pumping, that's not it, right? So we're gonna need this thing to have a lot more volume if it wants to go here. So MMX, we can keep a really close eye on it. So so if any of these names are moving, guys, and we are missing them, let us know, please, and thank you. Tara, good morning. B, good morning. Good morning. So we have about 2 minutes left. Let me quickly take a look at NNDM here, guys. So NNDM, Nano Dimensions. Again, these guys have a lot of cash, right? So, but they've always had a lot of cash, and they've barely performed though, right? So we're down all the way to $3.24 now. I'm not sure what your position is. We can have support here at $3, right? $3. You take a look at $3. This level right here, three. We hit three yesterday as well and bounced back to 3.32. So it's a nice level. Right, so it might be a name to look to scale into when the market sells off like this. I know Kathy Woods, again, this name's been mentioned with Kathy Woods quite a bit. But my only concern is they keep raising money, right? And they have some huge cash, but they're doing nothing with it, right? So they're not, So that's my concern. There you go. And then SoFi is jumping now. SoFi is. Oh yeah, let me take a look at SoFi, guys. SoFi, yeah. Again, the hope for me, honestly, guys, the hope is that we can have these names go from red to green today, right? If not tomorrow, right? If we can go from red to green today, that would be perfect, right? Again, so sell off Monday, Tuesday, right? Sell off Monday, Tuesday, and hopefully Big Daddy Powell saves us tomorrow, or the Fed, right? Says something tomorrow, right? SoFi is okay. There we go, guys. Market is open. Market is now open, right? So yeah, absolutely, we can watch some of these names here. Let's see here. So again, that's Peloton, guys. Peloton's having a nice little morning here, right? So the S&P is not really doing a whole lot, right? So down about $7, right? Not a whole lot happening here. It's selling off into the open again, right? Think we had. So we've looked at this list already here, right? It's a pre-market movers list here, so I can quickly refresh this list and make sure nothing's changed. No, it's still the same, right? So we talked about S. or 8 p.m. Right, so we can take a look at some of these names as the market is now open. Good morning, Craig. Let's see here. Bonjour, 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 bonjour. Welcome, 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 welcome. Again, the hope is we can go from red to green today, guys. Hopefully, right? And that applies for AMC as well here, right? So AMC, can we go from red to green, please? Please and thank you. Can you do us that favor? My AMC chart is just loading. There we go, guys. Again, so AMC, nice little pump there, right? There you go, S&P, right? So again, most of these names are bouncing, and that's what we're hoping for. That's all we're hoping for, right? Red to green, please. Red to green. Let's turn this party around. Party, ready to turn it around, guys? Yeah, we're ready. Again, no rush though, right? No rush at all. Patience. Patience, 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 patience here. Damn, BBIG. What's BBIG doing? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna set up another chart on the other screen here. So we're pretty much done with those movers there. So I can put up another screen here. Set up a second list of names, guys, because one chart is usually not enough for me. BBIG at $3. Someone says, "Damn, BBIG." So BBIG here. Setting up a different screen there. Oh yeah, come on, BBX. Oh wow, that's a nice pump actually for BBIG there. That's a nice pump. Right? So I feel what I'm looking at, guys, is the other screen over here. So I can set up BBIG there. So that's BBIG up. Wow, let's go, BBX. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. It's halted. TKLF. Yeah. So TKLF. It's another pre-market mover's name here. It's currently halted. That's a pump, guys. Wow. Into the open there. Oh, wow. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to get rid of that there. And then one more name, guys. One more name to watch on this list. Give me a name, guys. Give me a name in the chat. So we have a list of six, right? So there you go. So we have the S&P over here, AMC over here, right? Peloton on this side as well. Give me one more name. Ding dong. Let's go. Uh, Please and thank you, BTC. I will, BTC. So, yeah, I will. Again, so the S&P selling off here now, right? AMC following that, Peloton, everything, right? So, let's see here. What's holding up though? So again, these guys are still halted. TKLF, we might right. So let me switch up to the other screen over here. So TKLF, right, still halted. Um, so maybe this is the play, guys. Maybe this is it. What's the float for this, Dan? Do you know? Wow, you guys all spamming TKLF now. TKLF. TKLF. So this name was played in Discord here by a few people. B. I know B. B, come on, where are you? Where are you, B? You sold it, or I think you took some profit, right? Didn't you? So and then of course we have BBIG, guys. BBIG is green. As the market is selling off here, BBIG is holding green. That's amazing. Good morning, Bobby. Verizon. Verizon is a name you want to add? Okay. Verizon. What's Verizon looking like here? Ooh, Verizon. Oh, Verizon had earnings, didn't they? So Verizon, we've looked at Verizon before. You're looking for that level, that $54 level, right? For your next level resistance. Oh yeah, BBIG guys, let's go. Sell. Okay. So BBIG looking good there. Make sure we're not missing anything on the other screen here. Nope, we're not. Not really. We're not missing anything there. Nope. Peloton's trying to pump there a little bit, trying to get back to green. That looks good. So I'm just setting up more BBIGs at 20. Yeah, I mean almost, right? Almost, and then backing off, right? So it would be nice to see BBIG hold off here, guys. Again, BBIG had some filings overnight. I think someone posted that in Discord. So take a look at the news channel in Discord, right? So if you're subscribed to BBIG email list, they sent you a filing. It's just a filing, right? So yeah. Yesterday on the volume, then dropped after the halt could be different today, but be careful. Absolutely, right, Hugh. Yeah, be careful, guys. You don't want to FOMO into anything that's just getting halted, right? Going back to 30. Hopefully, James says going back to $30. Back to $30. My Phil 560. Okay, sounds good. What's the flow? Do you guys know for I can take a look, but I just figured some of you guys knew what the float was. Mhm. No FOMO, no FOMO, Yami. No FOMO, please. Uh, no FOMO at all. None whatsoever. Good. BBIG. What? Lorenzo. Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah. There we go. BBX. Come on. It's moving nicely here. Actually. It's like it's moving nicely. What did I just do? That's not what I want. Give my chart back. There we go. So BBIG. Come on, you can do it. You can do it, Bibix. It's at 11%, guys. 11%, while the rest of the market is just sitting here. Wow, AMC. Wow, that's a pop on AMC there. Wow, wow, wow. And it's again, guys. Red to green is what we want to see here today, right? Red to green. Red to green, apes. Red to green, everybody. John, red to green. Can you say red to green? Red to green is what we want to see. So AMC, keep going, please and thank you. And here we go. S&P, can you hear this? Red to green. We want to see some green today. Obviously, BBIG gets the memo, guys, because it's pumping. Like BBIG, 5 million. Okay, 5 mil. Thank you very much, guys. 555. Thank you. So, um, we get the memo, guys. There you go. Again, this thing's still halted, guys. Still halted. Position, Yami. There you go. Wow, look at that. 12% for BBIG here. Absolutely amazing. So let's see that volume coming here. The volume is coming in for BBIG. Perfect, right? So you hit AMC, you do? Wow. AMC though doesn't care about anybody's hates because it's going. Like AMC, yep, it's moving there here nicely, right? So it's almost back to green, guys. Look at that. And we're pumping. Like, yeah, here we go, guys. What are we saying? Red to green. Please and thank you. Can you say that, Hugh? Red to green, red to green, red to green. Take the chart down, Andrew. Good morning. It's been up the whole time, Andrew. Oh, it's been up since pre-market. There you go. We want to see red to green. Crystal, Andrew, can you say red to green? That's what we want to see here again. So the S&P bouncing, AMC bouncing, Peloton pushing, right? BBIG feeling a resistance, right? So BBIG has resistance here at 330, right? So again, be careful. Do not FOMO in a resistance, guys. Um, let me see if I quickly sign in here. Again, do not FOMO in a resistance, please. Utilization. See if I can get some proper music. I don't want that type of music, please. I need some chill step. Nope. There we go. Let's try this. Let's try that. So again, you can see BBIG struggling at that resistance there, guys. Again, no surprise at all, right? So BBIG Mac, guys. Oh hell yeah, that's what's happening. BBIG Mac is what's pumping. McDonald's BBIG Mac. What am I hinting at? You? I'm hinting at hopefully pumping. What are we doing on the other side here again? So again, the S&P, right, is leading the race, controlling everything, right? S&P here struggles a little bit, AMC struggles, right? So that's the expectation, right? So again, we're hoping for red to green, right? I'm gonna put up SoFi. I'm not sure why don't have SoFi on here yet. Yeah, I'm gonna do that actually. So SoFi, it's SoFi back to green, almost. Wow, it's so close. Like SoFi is so close. Um, so close, guys. Again, that's is that so? Can you guys see that? No, you can't actually. So that's so far on the other screen here, guys. Right. So almost back to green. Right. So let's see here. Hopefully this music is better. La la la. What's good, Ronald? Again, BBIG guys, resistance at 330, right? So be careful, right? So we need to clear that level. We're gonna need the help of the S&P though, so we do need to clear 330. Again, still halted, guys, with TKLF here. You're feeling it? You're feeling it? You're feeling red to green? Red to green? You're feeling it, Hugh? Let's go. No. Let's see here. Let's see. No. Still halted. There you go. I hope we stay on the. We still. I don't want to know what to do for snacks. For snacks today. I'm sorry, damn it. I'm sorry. Um. Sorry. So again, market selling off again, right? So AMC, yup, retracing, right? Just because the S&P is retracing though, right? So no surprises here, like no surprises at all, right? So if the S&P retraces, right, everything else is gonna follow with it. Peloton, yup, together, guys, together we pump, together we sell off. So yeah. Thank you for everything. Let's go, Big Spark. Absolutely, absolutely. Any thoughts on APM? Henry, what's your position in APM? Can I take a look at PIXY? Seni, we looked at PIXY this morning. PIXY does need to clear. PIXY needs to get back above $1.75, right? We need to clear that level before we can talk about anything else, right? So, yeah. AMC wants to go to that. You can feel it. Like AMC does want to go. It seems like it wants to go. Oh, we're unhalted, guys. Unhalted, 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 and pumping here. Look at that. 650. Are we halted again here? Oh, yeah. Unhalted. TKLF, right? So unhalted there. Um, on Robinhood. Let's go, William. So there you go. Again, I know it's 650. 650 was the level that was mentioned, right? So 650 here. I think Hugh. I think yeah, Hugh. So watch for the 650 level. I'd be a little bit cautious, right, with the FOMO. So just be a little bit careful, guys. Be careful, be careful, right? So try not to FOMO. Wait for a little bit of support before you make a decision, right? AMC on the other hand here, guys, it wants like AMC wants to go. Like AMC is ready for it's ready for the smoke. That's what it's ready for here. It's ready for all the fire, guys. It's ready. Um, it's just S&P is holding this thing back, right? You could sell like AMC is pumping on its own here, but then as soon as the S&P drops, it follows, right? So this thing's ready, like it's ready to go. It just needs a little bit of a a nod from the market dad saying, okay, cool, you can go, right? So absolutely, and of course, guys, TKLF, right? It's back down here. So again, do not FOMO in, please. At resistance, absolutely not. Try not to FOMO. So far, slowly retracing back to $13 here. Let's see what happens here at 13, right? See if we can hold this level. In terms of support, see if we can hold and bounce. But we're really going to need the start. Like, we're going to need the market here to perform, right? So, here you go. So we're really going to need exact same thing did yesterday. There you go, right here again. Exact same gap up yesterday for this thing, right? And sold off, right? So for TKLF here, so be careful. Yeah, be careful, be careful. Can you guys even see that? No, you couldn't. So again, 650, be careful, right? SoFi, see if we can bounce here, right? See if SoFi can bounce, see if AMC, see if the rest of the market here can bounce, guys, and then we're back in business, right? So can I look at SRRA is halted now too. Wow. Okay. BBIG, guys, again, BBIG needs to clear this level, right? We need to clear this 330 level resistance at that spot there, so we need to clear that. Oh yeah, guys, look at AMC. Like AMC is ready. Like it's ready to go. AMC's been chanting red to green, red to green, red to green, red to green. Obviously the SPY hasn't been doing that. So let's take a look at SAR here. So these guys had some news here. It's halted, right? So we talked about this one pre-market. It's halted at $25. So if you have a position, let us know, and then we can take a look. What's a good entry post, man? Potentially here at 550, right? Are we halted? Yeah, we're halted at 550 here though, right? So right, so halted at this moving average. So what I'd be looking for is around this 550 level here, if we can consolidate, right? So if you're looking for an entry, right, can we get some consolidation postman, right? So around this 550 level here, if we can test it, hold it, that would be amazing, right? So yeah, see if we can um here. So again, everything's struggling, right? SoFi, meh, right? BBIG is struggling a little bit after hitting that level. It's still green for the day though, so which is amazing, right? But again, what's concerning here is this rubbish, guys. This is it, right? This is it. AMC wants to go, but the S&P doesn't, right? So and it's here we go again, guys. It's a sell-off again now, right? With the S&P struggling. So halts on the way down. Yeah, it's halted. Halted again. So the S&P wants to send us to DK again today, Diamond. More daycare. Mm, let me quickly log in here. See if we can find some maybe scalps. Some maybe scalps, guys. Some maybe scalps. There you go. No poison. No on it entry. AK. You okay? No position. Okay, sounds good. No position. You're looking for position. Yeah. Okay. So see if we can hold this 50 right. This 550 at the open. When it gets unhalted, right? So that again, that's the Yoshitsu. That's the name of the thing, guys. I'm not joking. That's the name of the TKLF, right? So, and then are you looking for position into? Can we just get a pump? When pump, bro. Like seriously, when pump S&P, right? And here we go again, guys. Here we go again with more sell-offs, right? Uh, unbelievable. Let me take a look at this for position here. So we're gapping up here to new all-time highs for RRA here. So you're looking for a brand new position, right? Still halted. My only concern with this name, as you're looking for position, is let me see here is you're buying as well as we're pushing to resistance still, right? You're looking for position as we're pushing to a key level here, right? Like 25 would be a psychological level of resistance. So I feel like I'd be waiting for this name here to retrace a little bit. Like that's a massive pump candle. Like that's a pump, right? From $16 yesterday all the way to 25 today, right? In the so I'd be waiting for a little bit of a sell off, right? Before I look for position there. I'd be waiting a little bit. SBF, the giant SBF. I can take a look at SBF. What are you looking for? An entry? Halted up? Yeah. All I see is red. I know, guys. I know. Unbelievable. 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 And S&P, come on, you can do it. You can do it. We're chanting for you. Go, go, go. Nope. It's looking for new lows, guys. And this really isn't helping AMC. AMC has been looking like it wants to pump here. Unhalted on SRA here, guys. Unhalted there. And yeah, see if we can get some consolidation here. Right, we're now back below $25. Is that a surprise? No, like 25 is going to be a psychological level of resistance. So again, we need some consolidation before you look for a position, right? So AMC is trying, like it's trying to get back above 16 here. The S&P is trying to go here now as well. So see if we can go. Um, See if we can bounce here, guys. Absolutely. No go. Green says no go. No go. Green, what puts do you have? What puts do you have? What puts do you have, Green? Let us know. We can take a look. Read like 2460 is a good previous high potential to is a good entry. 2560 for that. 25. I mean, like 2560. No. Anything above 25 after this gap up, Martin, is an issue for me. I don't want that. Right. We're below 24 already, anyways. Right. So we're selling off already. So I'd like to see a little bit of support, a little bit of consolidation here before I make that decision. So um, before any decisions are made there. So 400 right now. Okay, sounds good. And now unhalted, guys. Unhalted here for this one here. So TKLF, right? So again, do not FOMO in at resistance, please. As much as nice as it looks, right? Do not FOMO in. Please and thank you. Let me put a PIXY here. I want to take a look at PIXY. What are we at? PIXY? Okay, not quite yet, right? So PIXY needs that 175, guys. Gap ups are breaking even today. Yeah. All right, so PIXY needs this $175 level here, right? To really keep going there, it needs that level. So, and again, guys, the S&P looks for new lows, right? It's below 430 now, right? So looking for new bottoms, guys, new bottoms here. And SoFi, yeah, SoFi really isn't, again, SoFi isn't going to hold if the S&P sells, right? SoFi had a nice pump, but that's not going to hold though, right? So if the S&P sells off here, SoFi is not going to hold. So, write it up when it goes exactly green, exactly. So anything good from power today? No, not today, not today. Hit the red. I'm okay with it. Into the Fed prediction. Today, I would not know what to make of it. Hugh, I know. Exactly. That's so true. That's really true. That's a good point, right? So it's easy for us to sell off Monday, Tuesday, really leading into the Fed, right? If we pumped it, then it makes it confusing, right? So we might see that, right? We might see it. So um, the market can be confusing, and we might just see that. So um, yeah. La, la, la. Was two I thought the Fed meeting was a 2 day thing. Let me see if I can pull up that thing. The whole the calendar day, Doug. It's in Discord, right? So I posted it in Discord on the weekend, right? So yeah, might need to confirm some dates. But the most important one, like the announcements, actually Wednesday, right? So, Doug. But if there's anything, though, guys, if there's anything happening, right, those statements are gonna come through in Discord, right? So I'm gonna make sure I have Discord open here for those. So nothing's coming through yet. AMC seeks to secure refinancing, guys. AMC seeks to secure refinancing deal and meet in the midst of a meme stock volatility. So they're looking for so AMC advanced talks to refinance a high interest debt is what they're doing. So I feel like every company is fighting, guys, to refinance, right? Just before the Fed, just before the interest rate, right? So good morning, Augie. Watch season 4 of Ozarks. Highly recommended. Okay, I'll watch. I'll watch. Yeah, no, Pixie's fighting. Like Pixie's really fighting here. So BBIG, guys, is back to $3, right? We're back to $3 again. Back to $3. Back to $3. $3. Hopefully you guys are having a set your stop loss if you have to, right, Roger? Yeah. And balance, get ready. Okay. Sounds good. So $5 might be a level. So TKLF bouncing at $5 here. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, like $5, like 550, like all of these are just psychological levels, right? So again, hopefully, if you are in that position, hopefully that thing can hold about $5 and keep going, right? So, yeah, it's holding $5 nicely actually. So from the open, right, it's holding it nicely. So that's good. Oh yeah, the S&P is not slowing down, guys. It's and that's not gonna help anything, right? So the sell off continues, guys. The sell off continues here. Um, story of the words. La, la, la. Hmm. Mm. Good show. Ozarks. Spy's only thing holding AMC back now, Andrew. Yeah, it seems like it. Like AMC's been looking like it wants to pump this morning. Like it genuinely has, right? So it's been having some massive like candles to the upside, but then the S&P sells off and AMC drops, right? So Ranger, good morning. Looking for option calls for Hood. Looking for a good entry if you have a chance. Okay, I'll take a look at Hood, right? So you can keep in mind that Robin Hood has earnings on Thursday, right? Thursday. So a little bit of a gamble there, right? So just be aware of that. Just be aware of that. BBIG actually trying to be somebody. Robert, it's holding $3. BBIG is, so for now that's good, right? But we need the S&P to bounce, guys. Otherwise, everything is gonna sell off. The giant Mishi, what are you looking for? Entry, exit. What are you looking for SPF? Nadal beats Canadian 5 sets. Great match. Oh, nice. Nadal, Rafael. I did well buying the dip yesterday. I'm not sure I want to test my luck for today. I know. I know. The EMC is giving away all those gains, guys. Back to where we started the day at, right? So we need some green candles here for the S&P, guys. Like, come on already. Come on. Let's go. Like one green candle. Green is like, no, 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 no. Let it keep crashing. Let these puts play out. Again, the trend is your friend, guys. If the trend is lower, right? If the trend seems like it wants to go down, that's fine, right? So let it go down. So no rush at all. We're just hoping to uh, ride the wave back up. So reminder, guys, if you haven't smashed a like, take a second to smash a like, guys. If you haven't, right, smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel as well. And if you want to become a member, the membership link is pinned in the membership link is pinned at the top of your live chat, guys. You know, let's get going here. You know, we want to be able to do this, guys. We want to say, oh yeah, the market has turned around, right? I wanted 420 again, green. And then it rips. Okay, sounds. You want a double bottom? Okay, that'd be really nice, actually. Double bottom. So most of these names are ready to go though. Like, so I'm looking at SoFi over there. SoFi is looking like it wants to go. I'm looking at BBIG. Like BBIG is holding $3, right? AMC's trying. So you know, oh yeah. And TKLF is back below $5. At four has been wild. Pablo, yeah, it has been, right. So it's on the screen here. In on the other screen there. So yeah, so we'll see what happens, right? Again, so do not FOMO, right? So like Dan mentioned, Hugh mentioned, right? This thing gapped all the way to 650 yesterday and then sold off for the rest of the day, right? So Christian says no, keep crashing, keep crashing. No, we want to do, oh yeah, guys, we want to be able to say, what else? We want to be able to have rockets on the chart, guys. Rockets is what we want to be able to have here. So maybe this rocket is going to help us a little bit here. So I can leave it up for now. Yeah, TKLF is actually like it's trying to hold that $5 level. What's the horny guy in the corner of your screen? The horny guy? No, the horny guy is the guy celebrating gains. He's celebrating the market. Like, oh yeah, that's what we want to be able to do. I mean, it's nice to we've had this retracement. Let's turn around. At the match, did you see the stampede in Cameroon? No, I did not, Krista. What happened? Something happened? Something happened there. Let's see. Uh, 1 second, guys. Let's see. Why is my interesting? La. 1 second, guys. Netflix, Netflix to film a movie about Shiba. Huh. Thank you very much. I'll take a look at that actually. I'll take a look. Stampede was at Africa Cup game in Cameroon. Probably you watched this. You guys all watched the game from the country that I'm from, and I didn't. Wow. By thrusting. What is this rubbish? um, Spy is pumping hard. No, that's not a pump. This is not a spy pump. Um, that's not a pump at all. So we'll see. So I picked up a position in SoFi, guys, at $13. I'm gonna set a stop loss on that. All right. And then go from there, right? So stop loss there. If that thing wants to drop, that's cool. If it wants to pump, that's cool too. But just little position there, right? And then go, and see what happens. BBIG is bouncing up $3 nicely, guys. Off $3, yeah. Again, so we known about the $3 level, guys, right? $3 support at 3. So again, we pushed the resistance early this morning. 330 failed, came back to that support and bouncing, right? So hopefully we can keep going here. And then again, TKLF here is trying to hold 5, like it's trying to consolidate here around $5, right? SoFi is just following the market, guys. Not a huge, not a lot happening there. So very cool rocket, yeah, right. Broke the village avocado tree. Yo, Peter, someone broke it. Most likely, just destroyed it. Come on, Spy. Let's break above. So we're sitting at a resistance here for the S&P, guys, right around that moving average, right? So we're going to need to break above then pump. Otherwise, it's rubbish, right? So AMC needs the S&P to go as well. Everything needs the AMC, the S&P to go, right? Again, we talked about not touching this thing at $25, right? Waiting for that retracement. Well, guess what? We're below $23 now, right? So yeah, be careful. This is a SRRA, right? So here we go, Spy. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Broke above that moving average. Nice little pump there. So yeah. There you go. It's gonna test $3 for the next 5 years. Unbelievable, Andrew. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. for the next 5 years. Come on, let's pump. Let's pump. We're going to war. Yeah. At least people are. Wow, really? Uh, cr- nation in on Monday, according to government of Cameroon. Yeah, those guys are very. Yeah, I don't know what to say, Pablo. Houston Pete. Yeah. Thoughts on Sundial, Jason? What's your position in Sundial? Sundial's not really been a name that I'm a fan. I just don't like Sundial. Just Yeah, good morning, Joe. Good morning. What's your position though? Let me know. Again, as soon as the S&P sells off here, guys, guess what? Everything else follows, right? So AMC follows lower. So we're at the mercy of the S&P here, guys. Otherwise, it's lower and lower and lower, right? So what do we at here? Okay, cool. Here you go. 500 Canadian troops in you. Well, okay. and, uh, and the S&P just hit new lows of the day, guys. Again, base case is lower, right? Sell off Monday, Tuesday, right? And then hopefully the Fed can save us on Wednesday, maybe, right? For now, again, we're hoping that we can go from red to green leading into that, but it's not happening though, right? So we had the same thing yesterday where we sold off hard, right? And then came back, right, into the second part of the day and pumped, right? So after launch, you guys remember when we hopped up the stream, guys? The market had like the market pumped, right? So still a lot of time, like still a lot of room for selling off, right? Before that, so we might just continue to sell off here before anything happens. CryptoLess, good morning, fam. Good morning, CryptoLess. PIXY red to green. Is PIXY? What's PIXY at? Let me put up PIXY here. Actually, can I get rid of something here? Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this here for now. We seem to be bottoming here. I know someone was asking for S or A here. It seems to be holding nicely, right? It seems to be holding nicely up 2250 ish here. So that's a good sign, right? So let me take a look at PIXY here again. Oh yeah, Pixie is trying. Like Pixie needs to clear the 75 level. $75. Yep, Pixie needs to clear that. Right. So yeah, that's a nice pump. Like Pixie is not giving up, which is a good sign. With everything else, everything selling off here, Pixie's holding up surprisingly really well. So I know this one's been talked about as the next. People keep saying the next GME. That's not the case. But Pixie's been talked about as the next squeeze, right? So yeah, see we can clear this 175 level. The S&P guys, new lows of the day, guys. New lows of the day. AMC is trying. Like AMC is actually holding up. As we're getting this sell off here, AMC is like, you know what? You can do this on your own now, right? But it's not gonna hold up if we keep selling off here. So here you go. What's up, Jose? Good morning. You get a 420, yeah, like just a double bottom there, green, yeah, off at the bottom. I bought in at 56 cents. 4,000 shares, Jason. Okay, 56 cents. For Sundial. And there goes AMC, guys. Right, AMC is not gonna hold up if the S&P keeps doing funny business, right? So, it is what it is. It is what it is, guys. Let me take a look at Sundial here for you, SNDL. SNDL, so you bought at 56 cents again. It's selling off just like everything else, though, right? It's selling off just like every other stock in the market. So you're really going to need, again, the overall market, the S&P to hold, right? Everything's been selling off the last few days here. So it's not just a matter of like, so we kind of have support here in this range here, like around 40 cents, right? So hopefully we can hold that. We hit that level yesterday and bounce. So again, 40 cents would be a level to watch in terms of like support, right? Then you're gonna need your resistance is at 55 cents, 50 and 55 cents, right? So and you have a lot of shares. Uh, so again, hopefully this thing can hold above this 47 level and push for 55 again here, right? So and then you're back in business potentially, right? So um, yeah, let me just go back here a few. So that's nope, the one sundial there. I want AMC. There you go. Right, AMC is bouncing. Come on. Is that the S&P bouncing as well? Nope, not really. It's holding, right? But you can sell though, guys. You can sell as soon as the S&P like does anything remotely positive, like in terms of like holding support, guys. Look how well AMC does though. Like AMC gets a nice green candle, right? So if the S&P does actually start moving here, AMC is gonna go back to green, right? So it's just on the struggle bus here because of that. I think it keeps going down until the afternoon. Yeah. So just like we had yesterday, right? Green. So we sold off all the way till lunchtime, and then we pumped for quite a bit, right? So yeah, hoping the sentiment changes with Tesla earnings and could Fed news starts rolling out exactly green. So yeah, that's the hope, right? That's the hope. So Peloton is holding well. Yeah, Peloton always holds, like Peloton does really well. Peloton has done really well in this market. Well, I mean Peloton crashed anyways though, so but Peloton's holding up surprisingly well actually. So any thoughts on Nvidia and AMD? AMD again. So all of those names, no friends, right? All those names are gonna. It's gonna still depend on what's happened here with the S&P, right? So again, the entire market is selling off leading into the Fed meeting tomorrow, right? So the Fed meeting tomorrow. So it doesn't matter where you are, Tesla, AMD, Apple, right? We're hitting new lows of the day here now, right? New lows of the day, guys. And yeah. So again, everything will sell off if this sells off, right? It doesn't matter whether it's AMD or Nvidia, right? So there you go. Love it, love it. Newbie here, no friends, welcome. Let us know. Yeah, so if you have positions already in those plays, right? So let us know. But again, the overall trend, we talked about this over the weekend, right? So again, green, right? That meeting in Discord, right? Talked about again. So sell off Monday, Tuesday, right? And hopefully a turn around on Wednesday. So we're just hopeful, optimistic that we can turn around here at some point today, right? As people maybe see this as an overreaction, right? So to the meeting tomorrow, right? So but it's playing out nicely. So yeah. La, la. Reminder, guys, if you haven't smashed a like yet, take a second and smash a like, guys. Smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you want to become a member and join us in Discord, guys, the membership link is pinned at the top of your live chat there. So come join us in Discord if you haven't already. Come join us. Smash a like. Let's get to 200 likes, guys. So yeah, there you go. This is not business, guys. It just hasn't been business. But you know, uh, we haven't been doing this here. We haven't done this yet. So you know, we haven't been counting. So we need to do that. An AMC, Kelton. AMC is a similar story, right? Similar story. So again, AMC is gonna bounce if the S&P turns around here. So, uh, for Senegal game, yeah, I'm missing all these games. I'll try and watch. I'll try and catch a game today. Trig. Here we go, guys. Look at that, right? Again, as soon as the S&P turns around here, what turns around? Well, AMC does, right? Everything else turns around with it. So BBIG is actually still holding up nicely, like really, really nicely here. So again, S&P needs to go here. Come on, spy. Green's like, no, 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 no. Let's see. AMC 9 to 12 will be loading. Will you be loading the boats at that price, $9 to $12, Robert? Okay, let's see if we get there, right? So let's see if we get to that price there for you. I hope not. I hope AMC can turn around here because if it does, that means S&P is in every. On Tesla, I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Green. La la la. Hmm. Give it a few more candles before I sell. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. Green. So absolutely, yeah, absolutely right. So wait for that confirmation. Just one green candle above, right? That moving average isn't enough for you to get rid of your puts, right? So see if we can get some confirmation above this. If we can, okay, cool. Maybe it's time. But for now, yeah, this might just be just a little boat trap here. Too early? Yeah, it's too early. So and PIXY, guys, PIXY isn't quite ready yet. Not quite ready yet. So it's doing well, but it's not quite ready. So come on, let's go. it just seems very similar to this, right? Green, and like just a little pump above and then right back below and sell off, right? Even harder. So see if we can break above this 20-year moving average. The 20 is really what I'm looking at there, right? 20, right? Fail. You're failing at the 20 again here for the S&P. So you need to break above. Same thing for AMC. AMC is failing at the 20 MA as well. So these names really do need to start moving here. Crazy movement. Shiba up. Shiba actually up. No, Shiba is down 2%. Entry for SBF. Okay, I'll take a look at China. I'll take a look at SBF. It's going to be a huge profit margin from where it's currently. Uh, Kelton, Nicola. Okay, I know Nicola's had some huge issues. Huge issues, right? So. Um, Come on, you can do it. You can do it. So we're testing and holding that moving average there, green, but again, so not enough confirmation yet. We need to clear that level before anything positive happens here, right? We need to clear this like 2860-ish level, right? So before we can talk. It's trying, like it's fighting, but it's still sitting below resistance here. So it's really gonna need to break above there. Come on, spy. Nope, and fail again, right? So yeah, nothing positive there. So I'll take a look, the giant. Give it a second. I'll take a look. Beta, good morning. Hello. Have you seen today? Nice scalp options. I haven't seen it yet. Um, I'll take a look. I haven't seen it yet. So, and here goes the S&P again, guys. Here we go again. Here we go again, guys. Nice little, just a little pump, right? Just a fake pump here. Feel that key moving average there and sell off again. Same thing here, right? Fit pump, and it seems like we're about to go. Nope, it's just a fake pump, right? So and then sell off again to new lows. So yeah, nothing happening there yet. Nothing happening. Let me take a look at SBF here, the Giants. So SBF, I'm gonna get rid of this here for now. So you're looking for position in this name here. What are we doing? Splash. So it's down 2% here. Let's pull up the daily chart here for this name. So Splash hit resistance at $5, right? $5 sold off here. So in terms of like an entry here, I'd be looking for like around like around 320 here ish, right? As long as we hold about three, okay, right? So around $3, 320 here is what I'd be looking for. But you also need to have a stop loss, right? So you're not losing on that position, you're not losing big on this position, right? You get in, stop loss, please and thank you, right? So again, whether that's again a number that you're willing to lose, right? So and then you're good to go. So again, seems to be bottoming out here and creating some higher lows, right? So which is good. But it does need to again keep holding that $3 level there, right? So that's that. Let me put up let me see what Peloton looks like here, guys. What's Peloton at? Yeah, Peloton is trying as the S&P. Come on. Wow, look at the AMC, guys. Look at it. Look at that AMC pump, right? Like AMC is ready to go. It just needs this rubbish called the to go. Bar coding and then go. Johnny, okay, perfect. Yeah, again, there goes the S&P trying again. AMC will go back to green if this thing pumps. AMC's set up to get back to green here. Like it's setting up to pump, right? Here we go. Here we go. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. BBIG wants to pump. Yeah, BBIG is on the screen here, guys. And it's so let me pull up the other screen. So that's BBIG, right? We know BBIG has support here at $3. It's holding that level really nicely, right? So keep holding three. Your next level resistance is 330 here. So need that to hold $3 there. So again, the market seems like it's wants to go for a little run here. AMC, yep. Let's go, apes. Let's go. Come on. Pump, pump, pump. Are we ready, guys? Are we ready? Oh yeah. Come on, let's go. Beautiful candle on AMC. Absolutely. Why? Because the S&P is looking good, right? So S&P pumps here, AMC goes. Good morning, Sunny. Because of the total vol, uh, because of the total market vol from here, what is a good exit target for S&P calls for 2023? Oh, a good target for 2023 calls? I mean, you have a lot of time. I would just hold those for now. 2023, I would just hold those. 450 calls. Yeah, I would just hold those till we go for a nice run, right? So we've been selling off, so it's not time to sell your calls if they have a lot of time on them, right? So I just keep holding them for now until we get a nice pump, right? So There we go, guys. Oh yeah, look at AMC, guys. Look at AMC, right? AMC is ready. Like it's ready for prime time. It's ready for Netflix. It's ready for movie. It's ready for for the big screen. If the SCP doesn't crash again, right? So, good morning, Nicholas. Good morning. Good morning. There you go. No, no, ready. I want the market to crash, shut down the country. Christian says no. We're not ready, guys. I want the market to keep crashing. I know some of you guys are waiting for for dips, right? So, I know you guys are waiting for dips here. So, yeah, get in an AMC. um Again, we would need some confirmation, like this isn't good enough yet, right? No, friends, right? Come join us in Discord so you can see exactly what people are buying when they're buying, right? So, the market again is trying, but this isn't enough for us to say, okay, we're about to stop pumping. Like, look at what we've done today, right, guys? Look at what we've done today. Like, that's just today alone. Forget about yesterday, right? Look at this sellout. So this pump is cool, right? But we also need some consolidation higher to see, okay, good, right? Come on, AMC, you can do it. Uh, with Nasdaq 100, Saif, what do you mean? Oh yeah, BBIG is 316 as well, so that's looking good, right? Come on, 318 for BBIG, guys. Oh yeah, again, as soon as the S&P turns around, guys, everything else will follow, right? So look at BBIG, right? Again, BBIG going for a nice little stroll up the hill, right? When when did we get out? I don't know. Right. So again, BBIG looking a little bit better here, right? Again, all of this, guys, dependent on what the Fed does, what the S&P does, right? We're just following the money now, following the whale. So that's all we're doing here. The AMC charts up at 3 months look like steady down for 3 months. I know, Aaron. I know. You added those puts. Okay, sounds good. Green. So see if we can now hold above green. See if we can find as soon as you sell those puts green. It's no. Hopefully we can hold above 430 here. I think we're all think we've had a nice dip. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready to go here. No. Uh, there you go. Come on, SPY, you can do it. 100% on that one, green. Very nice, beautiful, very nice. AMC is like that one special needs child in the family. Come on, put little buddy. Good for you for trying. Yeah, we need to go here. Like we need to stop pumping. It's it's enough. Like it's enough. We're holding 430 here, right? See if we can you know, can we get a nice positive statement here from somebody saying market hit the bottom, we're about to pump. It's time to looks like a bipolar kid at the center. I'm gonna take to get rid of that, guys. You know, um, there you go. Come on, S&P. You know what to do, right? That's what you know what to do. Let's go here. We need some rockets. Need some rockets. AMC FOMO is getting strong. With me, no. No. I have AMC calls already. I'm not buying anything else. AMC. Yeah, I have enough of a position already, so I'm ready. I'm ready for this. Come on, apes. 15 cents, guys. Look at that. 15 cents to green. You know, we 12 cents. Come on, you can do it, AMC. Get back to green so we can celebrate. We can do oh yeah. There you go. One second. Am I 2704? Okay. 13. Oh, perfect. There we go. Come on, SPY. M is red to green. That's what we want today, Virgo, right? Red to green, guys. Red to green. Red to green on everything. Please and thank you. Red to green. The strong name is already back to green, guys. Macy's. Yep, Macy's is back to green already, right? Macy's is an absolute monster. Like Macy's, like a monster is what Macy's is, right? So it's back to green already, right? So we just need the S&P to keep going here. As soon as it gets a red candle, everything gets a red candle, guys, right? AMC, Macy's, all the same. So we're really gonna need AMC, the S&P here to keep going. Protocols. I mean, it's sort of so hard. It might not be a bad idea though, right? A Prezi, right? Might not be a bad idea at all. You know what's pumping though? BBIG, guys. So BBIG is on the other side here. So I'm gonna put a BBIG here actually. So BBIG. Come on, there we go. Right. So back up 10% here, almost 9%. Yeah. So it's doing better than the market. Right. It's doing better than the overall market. Obviously, it's up 9%. Right. Um, but the S&P is just playing too many games here. There you go. Come on, Spy. You can do it. La la la. Biden is uh. You did? Okay, you got another put? Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Oh no, but green by no means are we out of the woods yet. Like by no means at all. This thing, the market is still clearly rubbish. Like clearly rubbish still, right? So, um, yeah, clearly rubbish. Uh, it's as soon as spy, let's go. Yeah, absolutely. Like you've seen how well AMC pumps, right? When the S was when as the S&P turns around. So if that thing if we stop crashing here, AMC is ready to go. And that's only going to create FOMO, right? FOMO, right? This thing goes to green. I feel like we're just gonna, so we're closing above that moving average there to green. So be careful with those puts, right? So we keep closing above. If we keep closing above this level, and then that's right, that might be an issue there. But for now, again, um, not out of the woods yet. Can we just get a, can we just get a, oh hell yeah candle, so like a massive pump candle on the S&P here? That'd be nice. Who wants to go to a DWAC rally with you, Angel? Go to a DWAC rally if you want to go to a DWAC rally. DWAC rally. Um, we don't need to come with you to a rally. Um, come on. Let's see. La, la. Oh hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah! Smash a like. Let's get to 200 likes. Yes, let's go, guys. If you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, take a second to smash a like. Again, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and yeah, let us know if you have any questions. And let's keep going here. Come on, Spy. Come on. Let's go. I'll go to a fun rally with you. A fun rally. A fun rally. Here we go. Here we go. You can do it. Nope. What chanting onto like what just unbelievable. Unbelievable, honestly. I don't know if I trust BBIG holding. Yeah, you don't trust BBIG, but you're holding CKLF. Wow. Okay, interesting. Yeah, TKLF is it's holding $5. Like it's finding a nice little base here at $5, right? Which is interesting. So, um, you see, like as soon as Spy shows any signs of life, like AMC goes for nice runs. Like AMC's ready. Like it's ready for prime time. So uh, the S&P turns around here, BBIG will go. AMC will go, right? So it's trying, like it's fighting. So no, 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 no. Yeah, this four. If we can find a base up at 4:30, guys, and just consolidate here for even for the rest of the day, that's not bad either, right? So see if we can. Zella is looking like it may run as well. DJ No Cone, yeah. I mean, most of these names will run if the S&P finds a way to hold about 4:30, right? For now, we're just watching and hoping him. Zella. Let's see here. Come on, Spy. Again, this isn't when I take a look at stuff like this though, this isn't usually this isn't a good sign, right? When we pump and we feel like that, right, and we're struggling, that's not exactly a good sign, right? We're clearly feeling our resistance here. That's not a good sign at all for the S&P here. So, right. Again, and here we go again, guys. Here we go. The sell-off continues, right? That wasn't a good sign when we're failing and there's no volume coming in to push it higher. Not a good sign at all. Um, but it is what it is, right? So yeah. PIXY should bounce, Kelton. Yeah, if we can clear 175, right? So huge pump incoming, Moon Boy. Why did he say that? Huge pump for what? La 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 la. Is this the pump before the speech that brings it crashing down tomorrow? Potentially, Nick. Right? Either one or two scenarios, right? Either we pump into that event, right, or we just keep selling off and then we pump tomorrow, right? So because they're announcing and people are realizing that, oh wow, this isn't that bad, right? So one of those two. Either we pump here to this isn't a pump though. Like this isn't a pump at all. The market is still sitting at some low lows, right? So we haven't pumped at all today, right? This is nothing, right? Especially for stonks, right? So here we go, Spy. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Let's push for a 431 here. You can do it, guys. You can do it. BBIG, guys. Again, BBIG is back above 320 here, so which is nice, right? Really nice. La, la, la. Come on, let's go. Is it music? Here we go. Yeah, here we go. 331, guys. Come on, AMC. Follow. What's AMC doing? The S&P is pumping here. AMC just watching. BBI just following along though, which is nice. Not. I just meant instead of crashing mode today, it's gonna trick with a green day. Nick, yes, absolutely, potentially, right? Yeah, no, I see that as yeah. What happens tomorrow? The first Fed meeting, the first Fed meeting of the year, right? To talk about interest rates, how many interest rate, how many hikes, right? So stuff like that. So that's the first meeting tomorrow. Again, if you're wondering what's the market, stocks, and crypto sold off, why? Because of this same reason, right? Again, so interest rates, right? So that's why the crypto market sold off. That's why stocks are selling off, right? Again, part of the reason at least, right? So that decision is being, again, there's a meeting about it tomorrow. So yeah, it's important, right? So important. BBIG finally gets so what? Finally, yeah, BBIG is there we go, BBX. There you go. Again, resistance at 330 here, guys. 330. That's your resistance for BBIG there. M has better action to it. Yeah, it does. It really does. It's a strong stonk, right? I'm gonna put it up in the middle here so I can watch it. So M. Macy's. Yeah, no, Macy's is a Macy's. Honestly, guys, like Macy's is amazing. For stock, yep, absolutely amazing. Like this thing's been pumping all day today, right? So if I put up that chart here, guys, that's Macy's in the middle here, right? This thing's just been going, right? It's sort of a little bit at the open, right? Again, this doesn't. That's the open, right? That's pre-market. But then as soon as the market opened right there, right, it's been pumping, like it's been going, right? It's been going here. So Macy's, absolutely amazing. BBIG, I have BBIG on two screens here. So BBIG, yeah, 330 still. Let's go, Joe. Joe says let's go. It's because, right, the S&P is pumping here, guys. Going for 432 here now. So keep going, keep going. I'm surprised AMC is honestly slacking, guys. It's slacking. Like you can see here, AMC has been falling closely, right? You take a look at this, follow, S&P follow, sideways follow, right? S&P's had a nice pump here. AMC really isn't following this other move now for some reason. For some weird reason, it's not following this now. Um, you know, which is annoying. So manifest, manifest. You like the playlist? Okay, nice. No friend? Thank you. Um, Come on, AMC. Law of attraction. It's right beside you on your right hand side. Just follow it, follow up. Volume on AMC. Not there yet. Yeah. Greetings, Gaston, extended family. Greetings, Gaston. Greetings. uh, Under that one, Green. You guys tipped under that one. Yeah, that's some nice pumps. There, Green. So I mean, we might come back down. Again, this doesn't mean we're out of the woods yet, guys. Hopefully we can hold about 430. Right, it's still way too early to tell with the market here. Again, we're hoping that we can run. Potentially again red to green, right, for most of these names, and then see what happens tomorrow, right? Yeah, the S&P is going for a really nice run here now. Really nice run. For some reason, again, guys, AMC's followed. The first run, AMC followed, right? Like, AMC's followed the entire time here. Look at that, right? So again, this is this, that's that, right? So pump, AMC follows, right? Pump, AMC followed. Sideways, AMC sideways. S&P, AMC, S&P is pumped here. AMC hasn't, right? So which is interesting. Needs a monster candle. Yeah, I'm sure it's gonna get it. If the S&P keeps going here, AMC is gonna get an explosive candle here at some point. Um, and BBIG guys again, 330 is a level to watch. Some good on the AMC options. I can feel it in your voice. No, I do not, Richard. I do not actually. I do not. In my voice? No, I do not. Not an AMC. Not something that I'm not willing to lose. So, uh, I'll get a calls on if Tesla. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, absolutely. Hmm. I think it's interesting, like how. And here we go, guys. Here's the AMC pump, right? Little trying, 14 cents. You know what's funny? AMC is gonna try and pump here when when the S&P is sitting on resistance, and then the S&P is gonna sell off, and AMC is gonna follow. Um, I just think that's funny. In other words, AMC has no chill, will of its own. No. BBIG is moving hard. Yeah, it's trying. What happened to rated R movies? I don't know. You know, you talk about BBIG taking off, then it dips. What's dipping? BBIG? BBIG isn't dipping. BBIG is sitting at almost at the highs of the day here, right? Um, BBIG looks fine. It's holding $3, right? Okay, we came back down, tested that support at $3 here nicely, held it, right? And it's been moving higher ever since. So yeah. And here comes our retracement for the S&P guys, and everything else is gonna follow now, which is yeah. The algos are controlling the market and we are following. Jeremy, most likely, usually, right? So, hedge funds, algos, right? We usually follow, and that's how again, for the most part, guys, that's how you make money, right? If you want to do this for a long time, right? For the most part, you just have to follow the money, right? You have to follow, what baby fishes, baby fish, uh, swimming around trying to eat the crumbs, right? So, that's all you can do sometimes. Look at AMC guys. As soon as the S&P sells up there, AMC is like, "Yep, here's my cue. Here's my cue to sell off." Right. So, the S&P hasn't actually gone anywhere yet. It's interesting, like the turnaround. Neo on the 23, $24. I think could be a William. Yeah, I mean Neo, a good long term company, right? So to scale in, yeah, absolutely. So follow the money, yeah, right. Hugh, we follow the money, guys. We don't want to be that's why sometimes when it comes to like movements, right? For example, like AMC movements, right? I'm always a little bit nervous, just a little bit scared because I know exactly what we're going up against. You can make some life changing money, but you're going up against like people that control everything and have power, influence, right? So it's a little bit scary. You have to be willing to take the risk, right? Everything is controlled by algos. Aaron, there you go. So if you just take follow the crumbs, Sierra, you missed a stock that was meant for you. It's called SRRA, right? It's named Sierra Oncology, which is funny. So you missed it. Had a nice little pump in the morning. So I need to make money this week. Help. I hope the market can go from red to green here, right? Show a little bit of support, no friends, so you can look for a position. So you can look for a position there. La la la. Leonard, you're bots. You're bots, Leonard. All of these questions. Darn it, Sierra. Sierra says, darn it. No, that's okay. No, Macy's is like I don't even know what to say. Like Macy's has been one of the best holdings for the last 2 days, right? The market has struggled for the last 2 days. Macy's has been like one of the best performers, right? So Leonard says, huh? I don't know. I got 20 prog calls yesterday. Yeah, prog might be at some point here prog will bounce, right? So at some point it will. Come on, Spy, you can do it, right? We're holding that moving average there. See if we can go for another run here. as AMC is trying as well, right? 17 cents to green. Come on, you can do it. 15 cents, guys. You can do it. Here we go. 14. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. 12 cents. 12 cents to green. Back to 14. No, keep going up, AMC. Give us that candle. 13. Come on. Nope. AMC is slacking. Like AMC is really slacking. Like it's slacking here. Not sure what it wants. For way out. Okay, sounds good. No, Leonard. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay, Leonard. Um, that's just because I ask you questions and you never respond. So that's why I figured you're a bot. Define the market today. It is Hugh. Okay. You always want to look for those names that are define the market. But again, it's a spat that always pumps for no reason, and then comes back down though, right? So be careful. And yeah. Uh, wow, wow. La, 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 la. Predictions? No, I haven't. Pancake swaps? No, I haven't. Yeah, the pancake swaps? No. I'm sure someone in the chat has. So if you have any questions, just ask, and someone will help you out. Just ask. I know. Star has done a lot of stuff, right? With that. So if you just ask in the chat, that she'll help you out. Leo. Yeah, as the S&P sells off, guys, look at everything else sell off with it, right? So the S&P, yep, taking everything down with it. AMC, unbelievable. AMC will follow down, guys. Like AMC will follow down nicely, like exact match those candles. But to pump with it, nope, it's just gonna go sideways, right? BBIG, guys, again, following, right? So S&P is what we need to pump here. This thing pumps, we all pump, right? We all celebrate. So if not, we're all just watching for now. There you go. So Musty has. Okay, nice. No, 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 no. What's the question? So Dustin, there you go, Dustin. Dustin will help you out there as well. So yeah, if you have any questions, Leo, just ask. Spy? Yep, guys. The spy just did we get any news? Is there any news here, guys? Let me take a look. Let me take a look and see if we have any news here. Features, nope. VIX, nope. No news, like nothing new here. Not sure why we're falling off a cliff here, guys. So again, hoping that we can base, right? We know this 430 level is important, right? This level right here, right, is important. So hopefully we can try and hold around this level, this range here, and bounce. It's a race. We can get all-time lows faster. I know, honestly, Peter. Like, what type of rubbish is this, right? Um, all-time lows. Look how quickly they all race to the bottom. But to pump, nope. It's not a race you can predict and let a token if the price in 5 minute time frames. There you go. I tried it. Okay, no, there you go. La, la, la. It's a race. Who can get to all-time lows? My money's on BBIG, on AMC here. Your money's on AMC. I mean, AMC wants to follow lower quicker than anything, right? So again, like we pumped here. Like that's a pump. Nope, not gonna follow. But as soon as we start crashing here, AMC's like, oh, I know how to get down. I like to party, right? And flush with it. So AMC's ready for the downside. It seems like. So here we go. The S&P is trying to turn around here already. AMC is still waiting at the bottom. Like, bro, what are you doing? I thought we were going. I thought we were going down, not going up. So into Neo and 10 into BBIG. Wow. Yeah, I mean these things are sitting at some really good levels, right? So we're sitting at bottoms, right? And if you can hold them longer, you might do well. So yeah. He's kicking himself now. Oh, okay. So he got in a lot higher than now, Leo. Okay. Look at that, guys. Like, look at that. The S&P is trying to turn around. AFC is still waiting. Like, bro, come on. I thought, so like everything else is trying. Like Macy's already is going. S&P, look at the S&P go, guys. But as soon as it turns around, AMC is ready to follow lower. 15 minutes. I told you 15 minutes ago. Uh, here you go. Good luck. Okay, back to work, Jeremy. Have a wonderful day, Jeremy. Have a wonderful day. Mm, mm. Let's see. Mm, an hour and 20 minutes to lunchtime. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Let's see what we are doing as we go into lunch here, guys. And yeah, going to lunch. Again, yes. So yesterday the market really turned around around like 30 minutes into lunch. So again, hopefully, right? We're turning around here a lot sooner, but hopefully here we can, uh, you wanted a 420. Of course you do, Christian. Of course you do. Of course you do. Look at that, guys. Like the S&P, the AMC is ready. Like it's ready for the downside here. So, um, there you go. Like the S&P shows any signs of weakness here. AMC is like, yep, I'm gonna beat you to it, right? $16, unbelievable. Are you talking? AMC is below William. Yep. Put your money on a AMC winning the race. Everything went up. There you go, right? Yeah. So there you go, right? Yesterday 12:20. Yeah. So 12:20 was the time that we turned around yesterday, right? So hopefully, it's the same story today. So, because this isn't a turnaround, like we're still sitting at the lows, right? This is nothing yet. Nothing yet. Hanging off a over a small cliff. Tesla falling. Yeah. Um, this one more dip from Spy. Yeah. Mm, 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 mm. STC is pumping, Eric. Okay, nice. Thank you. STC. Do I want to put up STC here again? BBIG selling off. It seems like most of these names are selling off though, as the S&P is indecisive here. Right? Most of these names are selling off. Like they're no longer bouncing with the S&P, just because there are too many games being played here. They're like, you know what? I'm just gonna go down because it seems like the S&P is going down anyways, right? You know, let me let me put up so again BBIG guys support at $3, right? Support at $3, resistance. We keep fading around this 330 level, so that's where your resistance is at, right? Let me take a look at STC here. Yeah, that thing with 16%. Yep, it's going. It's done well, right? Sitting at the highs of the day here, while everything else sells off. That's a good sign. Again, it's a penny stock with volume, so it's gonna do well, right? So, yeah, here we go. S&P trying. 45% plus for what? Oh, Tesla calls for me are looking amazing. Oh, virus, nice, 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 nice. Um, just yeah. Is on is the Fed talk priced in? The Fed talk? Um, to some extent, yes, Spider, right? To some extent, yes, right? Everyone's looking at that and saying, okay, this is really important. To some extent, that's priced in. But I bet you again, depending on the headlines we get, there's going to be a reaction, though, right? There's going to be a reaction. So if the Fed stays neutral, right, or a little bit dovish, right? We're gonna see the market recover nicely, right? As long as they don't like announce anything else that's absolute rubbish, right? We should be okay. Yeah. This beat is it is. Let's go back to the yeah. No, again, S&P trying to pump here, right? AMC will follow, so you can do it. Oh yeah, Macy's is an absolute like Macy's, unbelievable. Let me put on Macy's here. I think we had Macy's for a bit as well. Like Macy's, like take a look at Macy's, guys. It's loading. Like as soon as the S&P goes, Macy's goes. As soon when the S&P crashes, Macy's is like, you know what? You can crash, but come back and meet me up here, right? So Macy's, yep, like it's hitting highs on highs. This one's amazing. Like, that's an amazing stock, right? It's doing well in this market, right? These are the type of names you should be scalping, right? Names that clearly seem to be trending up when the market is going down. As soon as the market turns around and they're still following, that's a good sign, right? So Macy's looks good. Um, what's funny, Virgo? What's funny? Neo check going up now with him. It should be right. So everything should be going up with the S&P here. So again, all you need to watch really is SPY here, right? So you know, yeah. uh, damn Macy's, yeah. All right, Macy's a good day trade. Yeah, it is. I mean, it's been a good day trade for the last 2 days now. So Macy's has been a good day trade all morning long. So all morning long, guys. Oh, about Macy's? Yeah, Macy's. Glance at PIXY. What's PIXY doing? Let me take a look at PIXY's here. Since we have Macy's on this, so PIXY on the other screen here. Oh wow, PIXY guys, PIXY's back above. Thank you very much, Aaron. Thank you for letting me know. Yeah, very nice. Right, PIXY's finally back above $1.75 here. So see if we can hold on this candle here. See if we can hold above $1.75 for PIXY here. Right, if we can, that's a good sign, and maybe you're ready to pump here. Right, maybe. CEI is pumping, dog. Okay, nice. Wow, we have so many names turning around here. And again, that shouldn't be a surprise, guys. Like most of the market has really struggled, like really struggled, right? So, if the S&P shows any signs of life here, you're gonna see the entire market start pumping, right? So, uh, on Bank of America, no. We talked about Bank of America. Like Bank of America, right, as a theme for interest rates, it's a really nice play, right? Banks this year, very nice place, right? So, yeah. And we're right back below, right? So again, one candle close above that level, right? Ariana, Pixie, right? And it's right back below. So just be careful, right? We need to hold above first here. Danelle says, come on, TKLF, come on, come on, let's go. Come on, we're ready, guys. So again, don't forget to smash the like if you haven't already, guys. Smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you want to become a member. But we're ready for rockets. Bank of America. America. Let's see here. What else? Just want to have these names here go from green to red, guys. From red to green, right? Just want to have everything pump here. That's all I'm looking forward to. Red to green, red to green. Um, I don't mind a fake pump. Don't mind a fake pump leading into tomorrow, right? We can, don't mind that at all. Just want to see some pumping. Ready for some business to happen on BBIG? Me too. I think we all are, right? So BBIG is on the other screen here. It's holding about $3, right, Scooter? So yeah, if anything happens, we will know, right? Uh, ETFs at discounts. Buy some ETFs. Yeah. Again, if it's a sign of anything, guys, right? The market is crashed. The market sold up every all the time, right? 2000, you want to go back to the 90s, you want to go back to 2011, you want to go back to 2020, right? Are we still sitting higher than those levels? Yes. So those ETFs, yep, right? So there you go. Bank of America is sitting at the highs. Okay, very nice. Yeah, Pixie's trying. Like Pixie's really trying to hold above this. Let me take a look at BSC here. Bank of America, and this is a good sign, guys. The fact that these names are sitting at the highs of the day is a really good sign. Jason CEI, I'll take a look. Right, the fact that these names are sitting at the highs of the day here, that's a really good sign. So let's put up this other screen here, guys. Again, so that's Bank of America sitting at $45, right? So very nice, right? Sitting at the highs there. I like that very much. Let's take a look at CEI here. CI, nice, 9% pump here, very nice, right? So CI struggled. If we take a look at the daily chart here for CEI, it struggled, right? So it's been selling up for what just happened? Give my damn chart back! Unbelievable. I want the daily. Give me the daily. La. For some reason it's deleting it, so not quite sure what's happening here. Yeah, for some reason it's like it's just shrinking it when I click on so I'm gonna have to do that manually. Come on, you can do it. Right. So again, you take a look at CEI here, guys. Like, look how long we've been selling off for here. So again, it bounces inevitable. There you go. So we do need to get back above 60, 67, 66.5 here, right? So that's really where your test is going to be at, right? So 67, that's what you're looking for CEI there, right? So there you go. At the top of the next hour, we will see going up higher. Let's go BBIX. Come on. So again, BBIG is on the other screen here, right? So it's holding up above that $3 level, which is nice, right? Amazing. So S&P looking better, right? Are we at the highs of the day yet for the S&P? Not quite yet, guys. We're approaching those highs, right? So see if we can break above here and get back to green, right? AMC trying. Macy's. I mean, Macy's sitting at the highs of the day, guys. Impressive, right? So Macy's looks good. Looks really good. BBIG, let's go. Not quite yet. Not quite yet. Starting to run. DJ, okay, thank you. La la. Layout star. BBIG, click on layout. Oh, okay, okay. I need to try that next time then. Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. Let's go. Just quickly browsing some other stuff here. No, but the market does seem like it's about to turn around though. Like it's giving those, it's giving vibes. It's giving us, giving us turnaround vibes. We've hit some lows here today, right? As always, right? Market open, sell off, right? We've been creating some higher lows here, low, higher low, higher low, right? So that's a good sign. Hopefully we can continue to do this. You can see, like, as soon as the S&P shows any sign of life, look at that, guys. Macy hits a new high today, right? How amazing is that? Like, any sign of life, a little bit of little itty bitty green candle. AMC's like BBIG, no, Macy's, right? It's like, okay, well, that's my cue. New highs, right? AMC's trying, not quite ready yet. So um, amazing. Come on, 600k, 600k. Yeah, with this type of movement, Peter is gonna need to do a lot more before we talk about puts are done for green. You're done with the puts. Okay, as soon as you're done with those puts, here we go. Here we go, green. Here we go. Um, Going to send you a huge super sticker if Pixie hits $10, Omar. Yeah, we're not what I won't hold my breath for that then. I'm gonna get a $10 super sticker, guys. If we get to $10, if we get to $10, I'm going to send you a huge super sticker. Omar, huge super sticker. No, again, that thing needs to clear 170, right? It clears 170, and then yes, absolutely. So maybe we can start pumping here. Maybe we can start squeezing, right? So, oh wow, 175. So we broke above that level. Pixie's looking a lot nicer here now, actually, like a lot nicer. So your next level to watch is that $2 level. Roger, you're celebrating. Roger, are you celebrating yet? Oh yeah, Pixie's looking a lot better here. So again, 184 for your next level resistance. Your name is Omar, right? And then you're looking for $2, right? That thing starts breaking above two. That's amazing. So I was set it for 60 at this point, right? But I think we're all in the same, all in the same boat here. So Pixie looks good, right? So I'll leave a Pixie over there. Oh yeah, Pixie's trying. It's trying them. 82, $1.82 for Pixie. Your name is Omar. It is. Okay, sounds good. Pixie's pumping. Yeah, I have Pixie up. I have Pixie up, guys. I can put up Pixie here. I mean, we know what Macy does, but I'm just gonna put up Pixie here. So that's Pixie on the left hand side there, guys. Again, so $1.84, right? Yeah. Steven says Pixie, Pixie, Pixie. There you go. And retrace green. Those puts, unbelievable. Um, Cup and handle on the five. Yeah, I see exactly what you're looking at it. Yep. Right. But those cup and handles still do need confirmation though, right? Someone asked that question. Scooter, yeah. So that cup and handle still needs confirmation. As much as we have those levels, we still again. So as much as we have those indicators and patterns there, we still need to clear those like our main level of resistance, right, which is 330. So we can have an inverse head and shoulder, the cup and handle, whatever it is, but we still have to get confirmation. So it doesn't have confirmation yet, and it's selling off here with the S&P, right? So it needs to do better. Pixie, Roger says Pixie. Let's fly. Let's go. Hmm. Set a limit to sell at $1.80, but it changes to $2. Okay, sounds good. I mean, you can if your initial intention was $1.80, right? Um, I mean, you can move that thing. You can take half of it and then hold the rest, right? So just in case something happens, right? Um, Shut up in no time, Kelton. Okay, nice. Yeah, see if we can clear 84 here, $1.84, and then get to $2, right? I just find it interesting, how like the social media sentiment. People have been spamming Pixie here for the last few days, right? And yeah, it's trying. And the S&P guys, unbelievable. Again, we're holding that 430 level, right, guys? So which is a good step for now. But we really do need this thing to perform him. Dancing with I know William, I know, I know. Here we go, Pixie. What do we add? Doll. Okay, still 82. Why do I get a different number and a different? Okay, no, it's still $1.82 here. It's just the ask is now sitting at $1.85, right? So hype, 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 hype. La, la, la. Let's see here, and here goes the S&P again, guys. New lows on this little downturn here, right? So again, the hope is that we can keep creating higher lows, guys. Again, so low, right? Low of the day, right? Drop higher, drop higher. So again, hopefully, any type of anything here that's a little bit higher would be amazing, right? So hopefully, it's yeah. And here we go, Pixie. Let's go, Christy. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? Let's see here. I want to quickly see if I can open up a new tab here. Nah. Come on, Pixie. Yeah, so we have a little bit of resistance here. So this level might have come from 2 weeks ago when we covered Pixie, right? So this 184 level here seems to be a level to watch as well. So um, I don't know how much merit I'd give to this level of resistance. I don't think I really care about this level here, honestly. But let's see if we can break above or if we fail, right? So and then go from there. Double bottom, maybe. Come on, B-Bigs. Pixie's finally gonna break out. I mean, if it clears $2, and then okay, maybe we can talk, right? So you missed your. What would you suggest? What would I suggest? So it seems like we're sitting around resistance for now, Emmer. My suggestion would be waiting, right? So waiting, so this thing gets back above, again, gets back above a key level of resistance, right? See if we can clear. See if we can again. So see if we can consolidate above a key level. So for example, let's say we break above, right? Like $1.84 here and hold above that level for a little bit. Okay, cool. That might be a position, right? Or we drop here to this 175 test, right? So this would be perfect, right? So if we do this, right, drop to this level, hold it, right? That'd be really nice, right? Would be really nice. Some confirmation, and then we go again. That'd be perfect, right? So if not, then you're waiting for your FOMO. You're waiting for those breakout levels, and then looking to FOMO in there, right? So S&P guys, unbelievable. Here we go again. AMC taking with it, guys. On unbelievable. BBIG, yep, slowly selling off to $3 as well. So nothing is everything is selling off, right? Good morning, Beanie. Good morning, Queen. La la la. We'll lock in profits. I think Pixel will lock in profits first. Roger. Okay. And 71. So the S&P again. So there we go. There you go. There you go. 84. Yeah, 85. Come on. Go, go, go here. So there we go. Pixie. Very nice, actually. Yeah, Pixie's trying here. As the market sells off here, Pixie's holding up nicely. That's a really good sign, right? So it would just be nice to get some, some a little bit of consolidation. Or just a level that we can say, okay, this is support. Okay, it's time to buy, right? So, no, it's hard to FOMO in when you're just getting green candle after green candle, right? So, nah, nah. Chris says, "Come on." I know, Chris. I know. Again, hopefully we can create a bottom here. Green. Green. As soon as he saw those puts, the market was like, "Oh, he outs. Okay, crash it." Right. Yeah. Yeah, so let's see if we can again double bottom here around this level, guys. Right. So we bottom around this 435.50 or again even 430, right? So see if we can hold around this range here and recover. That would be the plan here. That would be the hope, right? So. mhm. And FGI. Okay. Edgar, good morning, good morning. Good to see you. How are you? So let's see where we are in the next hour, guys. Again, the market really turned around yesterday, around again like 20 minutes, 30 minutes into lunchtime. So let's give it a little bit of time here and see where we're sitting at, right? And if not, if we're just doing absolute rubbish here, we can just take a break and and do something else. But yeah, so again, we're back about Pixie looks good. And Pixie looks really good here actually. Look at this, guys. All the bots are spamming Pixie now, right? So Pixie, Pixie, Pixie. Which is interesting, right? Hey, it's Pixie. Look at Pixie go now. Wow, wow. As Come on, Pixie, you can do it. $2 is your next level of resistance, there, guys. $2. Uh, Leonardo, I'm sorry. It's but this is definitely a bot. Um, uh, you're not a bot, no, Leonardo. Oh yeah, Pixie, $2. That's how it works, Roger. I know. It's I wish I took profits out of BBIG and put it in Pixie. TJ, yeah, William. No, 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 no. It's not you guys. They're not you guys, Roger. It's but there's some bots in the chat that are spamming Pixie. Mhm, mhm. No. Every time we break, we run. Christian, go BBIG. No, BBIG is sitting at 305, guys. 305. Guys, the other B word. No. Um, Here we go, Spy. Come on. Mm-mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. Oh, no. You calling you guys? Yeah, yeah. Come on already. Let's go. Is the Spy dropping like you predicted, Henry? Like you predicted? I guess so. I mean, if you predicted the Spy to drop, it's dropping, right? Absolutely, Henry. Absolutely. Hope you're doing good. Let's go BBIG. Let's go BBIG. Again, BBIG is not quite doing anything yet, right? So it's selling off with the rest of the market here, right? So selling off with the S&P here. So we're really going to need the SPY to turn around, and BBIG is going to turn around as well. So hopefully, please, 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 please. What do we need to do, guys? Sacrifice a chicken, a goat, please, and thank you. Let's go. You know, pumping is a lot more fun. I mean, we can play puts, but most of you guys only go long anyways, right? So it's going to pump up just like BBIG. We'll see. Okay, sounds good. Let it all crash. Bring us the MOAS. No, we've had a nice dip, so I think it's time to turn around here. All right, Chris. Please and thank you. Like, so I like what we've done here on it. If we can pump here to back to if we can pump from this level to 433, then I like what we've done here, right? So again, higher lows, right? Dump. Every time we dump, we're holding higher than the previous dump, right? So again, push, dump, higher, push, dump, higher, right? So again, push, dump, higher. So again, keep going. Please and thank you, right? So not quite yet. Not quite yet here. We might just be forming a head and shoulder here and selling off again, right? Which is annoying. But it is what it is. We're just gonna have to wait and see, guys, right? So we're gonna have to have like multiple candles here confirm before we can say, okay, well, that was the market sell-off. We're out of the woods, right? For now, this is rubbish. And look at that, right? Failing again. So way too early to tell you. And PIXY is actually doing well. Like PIXY is doing really well here by testing and holding that moving average. That's a good sign, right? So you take a look at this. We got a buy signal here for PIXY, right? So buy signal here for PIXY around this range here, right? $1.60 whatever, right? Broke above 75, right? Test, hold it, push, test, hold, push, test, hold, right? So yeah, see if we can keep doing that and pushing. So $2 there, your next level of resistance. Your next level of resistance, guys. AMC, AMC's that's how the village does it. Bring on the goats. Yeah, guys, the village. Bring on the goats. Do you see an entry for PIXY to scalp? An entry for PIXY? No. I mean, off like $1.80 maybe, right? So off $1.75, yes, right? Yeah. What did we do at $1.75 actually? Yeah, like so for me, like two ways that I like scalping stuff is either I'm scalping off support or I'm scalping at a breakout level, right? So for example, we talked about 175, right? Either you're scalping from that level, right? You're scalping from like breakout levels is what you're doing, or you're waiting for retracements, right, to support, right? So again, breakout level, right? As soon as you break resistance, you can see here, right? Test multiple times, but as soon as you clear that level, nice little green candle, right? So your next level could potentially be $2, right? Or you're waiting for retracement to support. Look at this rubbish, guys. Here we go again. S&P, yup, back to 430 green. Unbelievable. Did you get some more puts, green, or what did you do? More puts? Patience, patience. Patience, guys. Patience. We were kidding? Oh, okay. Sounds good, William. Here we go again. Unbelievable. So some days you just feel like the market will recover, but you don't want to you don't want to watch it every single second, and yeah, that's how the market eventually will recover. You just need to give it some time. So some days they're just meant for sleeping in. Katie, good morning. Just meant for sleeping in, guys. Because this is rubbish. Like the little ups and downs, absolute rubbish. You love it, Robert. You love the ups and downs. No, I don't. Um, so PIXY again. See if we can push back to $2, right, guys? It looks good, really good, really good. Let me see if I can pull up. Uh, it's in here. Na, na, na. 1 second, guys. I just need to quickly AP. La, 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 la. Uh, 1 second. There we go. Oh yeah, PIXY, let's go. Yeah, BBIG nice little bounce here as well. Anybody seen the kids movie When Pixie? Win Pixie? Oh, I haven't seen it. Win Pixie. Come on, let's go Pixie. Let's go AMC. Let's go Spy. Come on. Again, so we're holding 430 guys, right? So we talked about this 430 level. Hopefully guys, right? Hopefully this is our base, right? Around 430 here. Hopefully this is our level, right? Again, we played with this level all morning long, 430. We're bottoming around this level for now. Hopefully that's it. We're tired. We're ready. Pixie, market. This is business. It's time to go here, right? So AMC needs to get back to green here today, right? Um, and Pixie again, what are you looking for, guys? $2 here. $2. Let's see. Not buying anything today. Waiting for stuff to calm down a little bit, Queen. Okay, sounds good. Your time is up. I'm clocking out for the market. Got a free call and put a running on Spy. See what happens. Okay, sounds good, Green. Sounds good. That's perfect, right? Sometimes, honestly, just walk away, right? So, um, no, I can't believe I missed out on Pixie. You missed out on the Pixie run. Green. Hugh, you're on it the whole time. For Pixie, business, Green. Business. This is business. No, so yeah, in 430 is gonna be a level that we need to hold. Boring trick says this is boring. I mean, yeah, the ups and downs are annoying, right? So you up, down, back to the same level. It's like, okay, what was all this for, right? So it's like all of that, and it's gone. It's like, come on now. Hmm. This is business, guys. Absolute business. Are we at 200 likes yet, guys? If you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, take a second, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and yeah, if you want to become a member, the membership link is pinned at the top of your live chat there. So it's a nice BBIG, Eric. You think so? Well, let's clear $2, right? See if we can clear $2 here. I'm gonna pull up. 1 second. I'm going to pull up the daily chart here for Pixie, guys. Let's take a look at this in more detail here. I know we talked about $2, uh, but what's next, right? So that's what I want to see here. Again, you take a look around again. So 175 was important, right, guys? 175 was important. $2 is also very important. Initially for Pixie here, right? $2. Look at that, right? $2 support, right? Okay, cool. $2 support, right? Okay, cool. Feel that $2. Why? Because again, you broke below support. Now it's becoming resistance, right? So yeah, $2 is your next level here, right? Once that level breaks, what are you looking for? Again, every 20 cents, right? 220. That's going to be a level to watch. And now there's a lot of room to the upside here, right? So again, this thing had a lot of fun. Take a look. $2 and explosion, right? Explosion, right? $2, right? And explosion. I think just there you go, right? So it's played off this $2 level really nicely here. First things first, though, break above two, consolidate if you can do that, and then okay, we can talk about explosion. For now, we're sitting just like right around resistance, right? So no rush at all here. No rush at all, guys. And here we go again on this rubbish, guys. On Spy. Here we go again. Unbelievable. Let's go, Eric. Share your stream on stock tweets to all the stocks on your list. Let's go, Eric. Thank you very much. Thank you. Really appreciate that, Eric. Thank you. I appreciate it. Uh, yeah, absolutely right, Star. Absolutely. Thank you guys for sharing the stream. XELA is running. Let me take a look at XELA. And there goes again. So do not FOMO in a resistance, guys. Let me take a look. Make sure it's saved here. Take a look at XELA. 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 Yeah, Zella is having a nice 16% run here today, and that's where the hope is coming from. Honestly, right? The market has struggled the last few days here, but for some reason today most of these names are holding green, right? So most of them are. They've been sold down for so long already. Let me take a look at the daily. Like, look at Zella, right? So Zella has really struggled. Like, it's struggled, right? What do we need to clear here though? For Zella to really say, okay, maybe this is it. Maybe this is the turnaround. We need to get back about 50 cents here, right? 50 cents you need to break above, right? You take a look and see what's happening at 50 cents. And you notice here that we have the 20-day moving average, right, and the 9-day EMA. So there's some two really important levels there, right? We need to clear those levels. We need to clear those. I think that 20 EMA is actually from the super trend. I think it's a different level, not quite the same as the yeah. Anyways, Anyways, so let's go back here to Pixie. Pixie. Yeah, $2. And that's and this rubbish called the S&P 500. Um, um, think I might call it a day. Gotta get back to work. Enough. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. PC. Have a wonderful day. Uh, Meeting supposed to be tomorrow, Connor. I'll take a look. 1 second here. Oh yeah, Pixie. Yeah, look at Pixie go, guys. $2. Headed for that $2 level here. $1.98, guys. $1.98 for Pixie here. Oh yeah, come on. You can do it. 99. Again, break above two, hold above two, and into the close tomorrow, into the close, it might be really interesting. Oh wow. All the markets, guys, look at that. AMC, pump candle. S&P, guys, again, 430 seems to be our support for now, right? So S&P, please. I will sacrifice. What am I going to sacrifice for you? I'll sacrifice some eggs today. I'll sacrifice some shepherd's pie. I'll sacrifice some anything you need. Just go already. Like, we're tired of this rubbish. And so we're sitting right around $2 here, guys, for Pixie. So Pixie calls. Let's go Pixie. It just says, let's go Pixie. Come on. Yeah. No, again, Eric, thank you for sharing that. So yeah. Uh, Pixie. Some meat pie moon. No friends. Yeah. Whatever we need to do, guys. Whatever we need to sacrifice. So, you better start putting your sacrifices in the chat so the market can see it. Unbelievable. Come on, go already. Go. So again, guys, Pixie $2, right? So do not FOMO at $2. See if we can break above that level, can still hold above that level, and then okay, and then you can make a decision, right? So let here's two more gains, Roger. Congrats, Roger. Congrats. Here's two more gains. Right, $1.99. It's pushing, and there's a lot of there are a lot of ice. There's a lot of momentum around Pixie here, so uh, it's doing well. Right, see if we can clear two though. Right, so it's failing at that $2 level. That's resistance again, guys. Do not buy just below resistance. See if we can break above that level first, right, before you make a decision. Like, it's fighting. Check out our UT8. Okay, a good time to get in. Almost at its lows. Money. Okay, sounds good. I'll take a look. Pixie order sold for $2. Okay, wow. I know you wanted $2, TJ. So congrats on the gains. Congrats. You wanted $2, you got it, right? So you got it. Let's see these sacrifices, guys. I'm not seeing any sacrifices. You guys are being greedy in the chats. That's why the market isn't pumping, guys. I promise. Put those sacrifices. There we go. Crystal says I will sacrifice the stupid barking dog. Okay, well, that's a sacrifice. Look at that. Crystal mentions a sacrifice, and the S&P pumps, guys. Look at that, right? Look at that. There you go. We need more sacrifices, guys. Put those sacrifices in the chat. Um, Almost 17% of the day. Roads, yeah, it's done really well, really well. So I'm gonna put it back up here, STC, on the other screen so I can keep track of it. No, it's done well. Like, it's up 16% here now, right? So, um, there we go, Crystal. Thank you for the sacrifice. That's a no regrets, star. No regrets. Look at that, guys. Right, those sacrifices. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. S&P loves sacrifices, guys. Again, we're holding nicely off for 430 here, so it's been a really good level for now, right? So hold, please. Hold, hold, hold the line. Let's go. AMC likes that, actually. AMC likes it. So AMC, go. Pixie, guys, is at $2. It's about to break $2. Yup, it broke $2, right? Looks good. Yes, it looks amazing, right? Pixie looks good. Entire market looking better now. Uh, Not even one letter. Not even one letter. I'll sacrifice my AMC. You've been holding, Ellen. You're gonna sacrifice the AMC. Okay. Is that STC? Yeah, STC is up 17% now, and counting. So Look at that. We talk about sacrifices and the S&P balances. So we know what the trick is, guys. Look at that. So every time we mention sacrifice, it's a pump, right? So keep going, keep going. We want to pump today, guys. We want pump. We want a need pump, right? So shorts on Pixie are the what? I don't know. Oh yeah, I don't know if I ever believed that the shorts was. I don't know. There's been one time that I believed that the shorts was screwed. Other than that, though, the shepherds that will make the pie. Shepherd, shepherd's pie. Close. It's up on them. We closed. Oh, true. Uh, 1 second, guys. So, la, 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 la. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Uh, 1 second. La. There you go. Um, have a spy, right, Star? How am I gonna have my pie? Uh, uh I guess I could. You could burn some Shiba. You want to burn some Shiba? You're in it, Martin? Okay, sounds good. Don't sacrifice it. You're in it? Okay, sounds good. Pixie to $13. Wow, to 13. I mean, Pixie looks good, right? It's done really well. We're struggling with this $2 level, guys, right? So this is why you don't formulate that resistance, right? Because you want to see what happens above, not below, right? You want to see this thing break above $2, which it has, but you want to see it consolidate above, right? Hold, find the base above, and then okay, cool, we're ready to go. For now, though, right? So see if we can hold above as the S&P again. The S&P is done really well, holding this 430 level, right? See if we can hold above here. That's wow. No, no. Just in time. What's doing? I heard a sacrifice. I brought a goats. Am I late to the party? Nope, you're not late to the party. Like Star says, just in time for the sacrifice. So sacrifice that goat. No, I didn't. I did not, Kelly. I did not. 307. I did not. I haven't done any. I haven't done any like proper scalps yet. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. We need the S&P to go here because this is rubbish. And I threw them the words. Oh, oh wow, vicious, absolutely vicious. Here you go. No scalp, no BBIG scalps yet for me, Kelly. So, again, Pixie guys, $2 needs $2 needs $2. S&P, just needs to pump to the high of the day here, right? What's that? Well, why am I seeing that? I'm gonna quickly zoom out here. 39. Where's it getting that from? Interesting. Because I know we haven't been that high yet, so I'm surprised we're seeing yeah. Come on, apes, you can do it. You love goats. You love goats. Yes, STC is selling off there as well. So it was up as much as 17%. Now it's down to a little bit. So they actually goats are actually smart. Goats. Yeah, I had goats growing up. Goats. And yeah. So $1.96. Yep, we need $2. That thing should have enough volume to break it, but we just like to see it break above first, right? La la la. We had one. Emma, you had a goat named Emma. Yeah, we had goats. There was no name. There was no names though. No names for those goats. No names. Yoga goat, goat yoga, goat yoga. Yeah, I've seen goat yoga. It seems interesting. Would I do goat yoga though? I don't know if I would. Would 1 second. Would mm, Zala to the moon? Aldrin, look for 50 cents. 50 cents. Not attachment because he knew the sacrifices would come, right? I live, it's village, guys. It's the village. You can't be attached to these animals in the village because it's survival. um, um, let's see here. And I did goat yoga. She was the goat. Oh, yeah. Making money today, Dustin. Making money. We're making monies. Are we making monies, guys? In Canada, it is. Canada. Goat versus moose yoga. Yeah. Moose yoga. Here we go. So 30 minutes to lunch, guys. The S&P is giving us those shaky signs again here, which is annoying, right? We had this earlier and then we sold off, right? So again, not quite there though. We had them like right here. So, and then sold off, right? So, but we need this thing to pump here. Like we want it to go, 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 right? And for everything to follow along with it. So come on, SPY. Go ready. Go. 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 Um, so Nike Pro. So Nike 1 second here. So, Dogecoin and McDonald's. Any thoughts? I mean, so Elon tweeted McDonald's, right, saying McDonald's, hi, hello, how you doing? Hi, can we be friends? No. So Elon tweeted saying, I'm gonna eat a Happy Meal on TV if McDonald's accepts Dogecoin, right? So I mean, um, on one hand, that's amazing. Why? Because it's Elon, right? I mean, why wouldn't the richest person in the world, right? Why wouldn't McDonald's want to say yes to that, right? So why wouldn't they want to make a friend with Elon, right? So, but on the other hand, is McDonald's doesn't need any hype. McDonald's makes gains regardless of anybody, right? McDonald's, Amazon, those guys make gains. Like they don't care about Elon Musk, don't care about this and that and that and that. They're gonna make gains regardless of what happens, anyways, right? So, so they don't need the hype. They don't need to list. They don't need to add anything, right? So, yeah. And here's our sell off on the S&P, right? So guys, again, struggle bus, sell off, right? Annoying, absolutely. Why? Because it's all these games are up and down, up and down, up and down. Just pick a side and go. Pick a side and go. Obviously we want the upside, right? So yeah. No. Mm. AMC, don't follow the green, but full exactly, Andrew. Like exactly. Like AMC has done absolutely nothing here, right? Like nothing at all. And the S&P is pumped. But then as soon as the S&P drops two red candles, AMC is like, oh, it's a race. It's a race again, guys. We're about to pump. Look at that, right? It's amazing. Like it's amazing, amazing here, right? No fall on the way up, only on the way down. Stream, please and thank you, Hangman. I know we're gonna have to do Zella broke 50 cents. Okay, nice. Broke 50. Nice. Good job, guys. Good job, good job, good job again. So Zella broke that 50 cent level. Now, what you're hoping for into the rest of the day here, right? Just so as you're typing, right? So again, what you're hoping for in Zella is Zella holds above, like into the rest of the day here, right? Zella holds above that 50 cent level. That's confirmation to you that okay, we broke above that level. We're holding it for the rest of the day because if you break above that level and you push back below, then nothing's really changed, all right? So again, you need to break above, hold that into the close, right? And then it gets really exciting from here on out, right? So 50 cents should be your hopefully support. 75 is what you're looking for. Blaze lost connect 4 to who? Who did I lose to? No, guys, that's a lie. That's a lie. And again, Pixie on the left hand side, guys. Again, try not to FOMO in at $2, right? It's playing with that too. So it's look at that, Peter. Look at that. We're trying to get some nice green. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Here we go again. Unbelievable. AMC race. It's a race on the way down, guys. Mhm. Call me out on Connect 4 to me. Yeah, I think I lost to Peter. I think I lost to Peter once. Then I beat Peter nicely one time as well. I lost to Mindy. Uh, lost to, yeah. We'll see. Yeah. The Hangman game to put a ton of Pokemon clues in the game. Zella break $1. I mean, so your first things first for Zella is holding about 50 cents. Zella calls. Zella has calls. No friends. Zella has some calls. Sure. I mean, I'm sure that thing's gonna bounce at some point, right? Um, so just make sure you're giving it time to play out though, right? You're not just saying, okay, I'm buying calls that expire on Friday, right? And I'm expecting $1. Be selling. There are. La, la, la. Let's see. There you go. And there goes S&P again, guys. S&P taking everything down with it, right? Of course, AMC, not a question. And then Zella, they go, not Zella, Pixie, guys. Pixie's down below $1.90, right? Again, do not FOMO in at $2. Why? Because we have resistance at $2, right? So it's going to be a tough level to break. So you're looking for that retracement, maybe to $1.84 here, $1.75, right? Test, hold, and then, okay, cool. You can look for position there. Uh, la, la, la. Who does? What I want to know is who has enough Dogecoin to buy a Tesla with. It's again, it's not about like it, Peter, like it's not about like the Tesla itself. It's about the sentiment around it, right? Tesla is accepting Dogecoin for Teslas, right? It's all about the hype around these things, right? It's not about like spending Dogecoin at McDonald's. It's all about McDonald's accepts Dogecoin, the hype, right? It's not about okay, me buying Shiba on Robinhood. Most people have Shiba already, right? It's about Shiba is now Robinhood, right? It's all the hype, right? All the hype around it. Mhm. Favorite pizza? Frozen pizza. Yours is Jack's. Uh, Frozen pizza. I don't know. Jack's frozen pizza. Being a mean jerk, EXTN, a mean jerk, unbelievable. Um, Again, so let's see what we're in the next 30 minutes, guys, and then yeah, we can take a break for lunch, right? Matt Wallace has enough to buy. Yeah. Why am I smiling? I don't know. I don't know, Queen. I don't know. I have no idea. It's not unless it's a. Yeah, I don't know what pizza brand that is. Peter. What platform? I use TD. Dustin. I use TD. Peter, are we at 200 likes yet, guys? Are we at 200 likes? Smash a like, guys. Hit that subscribe. Share the link. All the fun stuff. And if you want to become a member, guys, the membership link is pinned at the top of your live chat there. You got really quiet and started smiling. Oh yeah. It's because I saw a comment from someone. You lit to the party, Avon. You lit to the party. That's okay. The party don't stop until I don't know. Uh, I'm smiling. You just can't see. Okay. DC Rely coming back. It looks dead, Frankie. Are you in a position? Let me know if you are in a position, Frankie, and then I can take a look. Let me know what your position is what I'm asking, right? I'm in at this price, I'm in at this price, right? So let me know now. Take a look. Yeah, again, here we go again for the S&P, guys. Absolute rubbish. We bounce off support and you get excited. You're like, wow, let's go. And then, it's like, okay, like hold support, we pump. Nope, back to support. Pump again. Nope, back to support. What type of rubbish is this? This is becoming very frustrating. PIXY guys sold off right back to 185, right? So see if we can hold this level, right? 184 is that level there. If not, you're looking for like again, so around 180 here, right? If not, you're looking for 175, right? 175 might be a nice play there if you can test and hold that level, right? 175 for PIXY, yeah, yeah, right. So, what do I think about IMMX? I know we looked at that one a little bit this morning. Um, IMMX. Let me take a look on the other side here. IMX is currently red for the day, so I don't know if I like that. So what for it to go back to green before we talk about it? If that thing can push back to green, and then maybe. For now, it's rubbish. AMC, yup, all of this rubbish. Look at this, guys. It's a race to the bottom again. Look at that. Pixie, yup, not holding back either, right? So all these names selling off here. La la la. Super support at $3 for BBIG. Yeah, it's actually holding up nicely at $3. I wrote holding up really nicely there. So see if we can bounce up the stupid level again. I'm gonna call it the stupid level. 430 guys, right? See if we can hold again. If not, yeah, looking for lower, right? So lunchtime. Is it yeah, lunch in about 20-24 minutes here. Like 80 cents there, Audrey, and then a dollar, right? La, la, la. Hmm, interesting. Rubbish but expected. There you go, Hugh. Fail one more time. Christian says fail one more time. For the S&P here, yeah, it's looking like absolute rubbish. That's what it's looking like. Them. That's what people do in corp. No raises, just pizza parties. Pizza parties. Party. What do you think about Zella? Today, a big jump visible. Yeah, if Zella can hold above 80, Ed. So if we can hold above 50 cents here today for Zella, that's a good sign, right? Really good sign. If we can hold above, right? So if none, then yeah, that's concerning. So I know bonuses. When do we get a? When do I get a? When do I get it? I don't know. When do I get mine, Peter? When? Pull back to those who want in for Pixie. Yeah. It's just a market correction. And the Titanic was just a rowboat. Unbelievable, Andrew. Unbelievable. So buy puts and short every ticker you can find now, Thomas. I guess so, right? I guess so. That seems to be the consensus here. So, Hutcher's debut will come before Torch. Yep. Um, yeah, so far as BBIG is back to $3, guys. Again, BBIG is not gonna hold if the S&P is selling off, right? Like nothing is gonna hold if the S&P is selling off here. So keep that in mind, right? S&P, absolute rubbish here. Let me take a look at Discord again one more time to make sure nothing's actually coming through for news. Tilray is expanding Australia and New Zealand. What's Tilray doing? Tilray, interesting. Tilray. No reports of order. Okay, GM. Okay, cool. I don't see any news yet from nothing yet from the Fed guys. Um, so New York, are you ready to join? Nah. Yeah, there you go. Out of Apple, no. Calls on Congress to pass measure to boost chip production. Okay, okay, chip production. You jump by you what? Um, Fed Fauci says he does not think we will see infinite surges of COVID. Okay, Fed Fauci guys doesn't think we're gonna see infinite. Yeah, no green inside. Nope, we don't see any green guys. This is sad. Um, sad. STC is at the high today. Let me take a look at STC here. I know we had it up for the morning, right? And then we took it off. So STC is actually looking really good. Sitting at the highest here now. Yeah, right. 238. I know we looked at STC earlier, guys. Let me see if I can pull up this here. All right. We looked at that's not what I want. So we looked at STC. Right. And let me take a look at the daily chart here for STC actually. We need to clear this level, right? So that 250 level is your next level to watch for STC, guys. So if you're holding it, right? So again, watch for 250, right? That's going to be your next level of resistance. That 250. Yeah. So it's trying to turn around here. So just needs to clear that 250, right? And then you might be back. You might be to 200. Let's get it. Let's go. The slide continues. Yeah, the slide continues, guys. So back to the slideshow. Back to the slideshow, guys. Back to the red, right? So I'll leave up STC here, guys, so we can keep an eye on it. There you go. So I'm gonna leave it on the other side there. What about Wendy's? What do you mean, Thomas? Like Wendy's at the stomp? AMC is not charging. Let me see. Charging for popcorn and giving out free shares instead of thanks, bye. I know, honestly, Andrew. Hold this tweet and we'll close the top now. Yeah, BBIG. Okay. Yeah, BBIG again, guys. BBIG is done really well. Like up $3, amazing. Like it's holding really strongly. Zella still moving. Fabian, yeah, no, we talked about Zella quite a bit. So again, Zella needs to hold 50 cents into the close, right? Zella doesn't follow SPY. No, it doesn't. Why? Because it's a penny stock, right? Any penny stock with volume is going to ignore the market. So let me take a look at Zella here, right? So Zella is getting a lot of volume. You guys are all talking about it, so it's going to defy the market, right? Like Zella, penny stock, right, with a lot of volume is going to ignore it, right? So you get this amount of volume here, almost like pushing for 40 million, right? It's going to ignore the market, right? So yeah, oh, it's going. Like Zella is really moving here. So yeah, looks good. Cue the Titanic theme song. What's the Titanic theme song? Is that like Celine Dion? Celine Dion. What's that song, Andrew? You're here. There's nothing I fear, and I know the market will go on. Oh, let something go on, like Andrew saying there. Please don't. You says please don't. You're here. Um, no, Zella's look. Wow, Zella's actually moving there nicely. Wow. Right? Look at Zella go, guys. Look at Zella go. Let me see here. La 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 la. There you go. Have up those charts. Okay, perfect. And these are the charts here. Good to go. Looks like a market maker loading day across the board. Bobby, yeah, it seems that way, right? So it seems that way. The S&P is back above our 430 here, which is good for now, right? Zella's at 56. Yep, 35% in counting, guys. Yeah, Zella's looking good. Dropping my portfolio to the bottom of the ocean. Yep. Honestly, Andrew is it's annoying. Like it's annoying. This thing was set up here for a nice day today, right? Really nice day, and then it just had to, the S&P just had to screw it up. Just had to screw it up, just like that. Talking heads burning down the house. Yeah. Yeah. La 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 la. Behind Ford, okay. Zella. I don't know. Again, hopefully the market turns around in the next hour or so, right? That's when we turned around. That's when we turned around yesterday, right? So in the next hour, hopefully the market turns around here, turns around, and we can go far or wherever you want to go. La la la. So as long as there's here we go, 430 again for the S&P. Come on, AMC, follow. What are you doing? Follow, pump, pump, pump. Um, Yeah, these dogs are giving up. It's just like you're in the wrong profession here. It's just like when you take a look at altcoins and they wait for Bitcoin to break above a key level before they start pumping. That's what everything is waiting for now. They're just frustrated, right? They're like, oh, every time we pump, you crash. Every time we pump, you crash. So you know what? When it's not gonna pump anymore, we're just gonna wait, right? That's what AMC and every all the other all the other stocks seem like now. Bless their soul. Yeah. Let me take a look at BBBY here, guys. Azella is retracing here. BBBY, Beth Bath and Beyond, $15. Wow, that thing's up 77%, guys. Like look at that. It's up 7%. Like this thing's been pumping all day, right? Just like Macy's, right? It's been pumping all day today. So what's up with the other names that are not pumping? Like what's going on, right? I mean, the S&P sells off. These things do sell off as well, but then they're holding support, right, and pumping higher lows, higher lows. Look at BBBY, guys. Like it's highs of the day, highs of the day, guys. And AMC, nope, nope. La, la, la. Turn around market. People need to cleanse themselves of the market. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The day job, we like you here. Let's go, you. Let's go. Oh, wrong profession. Mm, mm, mm. That was the best part besides the sinking. What trick? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Let's see here. Mm, mm. PIXY looks strong. Yeah, I mean, it's done well today, right? It's done really well. Really, really well. Uh, la, la, la. Yeah, no, Marshall, Pixie's gone from a below dollar, whatever, above $1.75. So all you're looking for, honestly, is to see if you can hold above $1.75 and close above that $2 level, right? If you close above $2 for Pixie, that's a really good sign for tomorrow, right? And the rest of the week potentially. So yeah, yeah. Same thing for Zella. Zella holds above 50 cents. That's a good sign because now you're holding above that moving average, right? So and a potential turnaround here coming. So. CI guy next door. What's your position in CI? We've looked at CI already as well. It's all these names, honestly, like Zella, all these smaller names, they're pumping here today, right? So seems like it's turnaround micro cap, my small cap day, guys, right? So small caps turning around here today. Any news on TKLF? It keeps going down, 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 down. No, there's no news there now. It did like Hugh mentioned earlier. It did the exact same thing yesterday, right? We talked about this earlier, right? Push up to 650, right, and then sell off for the rest of the day. So be careful, right? It yeah. From the sell off as well, which is strong. Okay, nice, Marshall. Perfect. What goes down must come up next, except AMC apparently. I know, like it's amazing. Like it follows very viciously on the way down. AMC does, right? On the way up is like I only know how to I am CEI the high today as well. Yeah, CEI, CICI. What's your BBY squeeze, Martin? Maybe, right? It's looking really good there, right? Beth Bath and Beyond him, right? Sitting on the highs of the day, right? As the market is struggling, this thing's been pumping. That's a good sign, right? Always names out there that do well. which is amazing, right? So let me take a look at CEI here quickly again, guys. We've looked at this quite a bit, right? This thing is sitting at you need that that 67 cent level is what we talked about earlier, right? 67 cents, right? See if that thing can clear that level, but it's done well. Like it's up 14% and counting, right? Everything else is like look at everything else pump honestly, right? Except for AMC. AMC was almost green, like almost green, right? And we were very excited. Nope, not anymore, right? Um, yeah. S&P again, guys, setting off for another sell-off here again, guys. Setting off for another sell-off here to below 430, right? So, oh, not. uh, it comes up because it's been low for a while. It's coming up. Um, exactly, Peter. So, oh, AMC. Oh, baby green candle. Come on, you can do it. Can watch anything in theater on Dish. Yeah. Mm. My back holding portfolio in reversal. I hope. Yeah. I know, guys. Again, eventually it's gonna recover. So almost there, guys. Eight more likes. Eight more likes to 200 likes. So if you haven't smashed a like yet, take a second to smash a like. Smash it, guys. Smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, guys. And 37 for Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's go, guys. You know what? I almost want to watch Bitcoin over AMC. Um, there we go, Bitcoin, BTC. Very nice, guys. I like that very much, right? So see if these other names you can follow. Sand going nicely there as well. Doge up 3%, right? Shiba, again, you can see here though, right? That sentiment is changing a little bit, right? So crypto and stocks drop for the same reason, but for now, it seems like some of these stocks and crypto trying to push up now, right? So which is amazing, guys. So let's keep going. XRP, not quite yet, guys. It's Bitcoin, and some other names. Mana's a strong, like Mana is a really strong, like when you like Mana is a really strong name actually. So San is up to almost 2% though. Oh, AMC back to $16, guys. Wow. Okay, keep going. Maybe. Glad there's a on the emoji. Man, there's fingers drawn. Fingers drawn on the emoji. Yeah. Come on. What's that? Is that CI? Yeah, CI here. Here we go for that 67, right? I know there are more levels on this chart, guys, and if you guys need help, just ask, right? But that's looking good, right? CI, yep, looking really good there actually. Nick, do I hold crypto myself? Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's see here. Come on, let's pump. Guys, ready? If you're ready for the market, guys, and you know some of you guys are gonna say no, but if you're ready for the market to turn around, type in yes in the chat. Like if you're ready for the market, the stock market, crypto market, right? Turn around, type in yes in the chat. If you're ready. Why is that? Oh, it's like the Titanic band leader where the ship was sinking. Uh, it's a pleasure streaming for you while we are all losing our life savings. I know, honestly, Andrew, unbelievable, right? Look at Bitcoin, guys. Very nice, right? So Bitcoin, 37, guys. Let's go. Look at that, right? 37. There you go. Very nice. I like that. Yes, you ready? Okay, sounds good. I think we're all ready. Num, num. There you go. If you're ready tomorrow, Christian, if you're ready tomorrow, today you want to sell off? Star says yes, Martin, yes. Red, yes, you're ready. Um, good for 250. Just your opinion? Yeah, I think most of these names, honestly, Kelly, the market turns around here. We should be good to go. Yeah, wow. CI is getting a lot of momentum here, actually. Gaining a lot of momentum. A lot of momentum. Let's see here. La, mm, there you go. Here we wow, look at that thing go. Right. So let me pull up the daily here, guys, and see what this looks like. And these names have been destroyed. Like they've been crushed for so long, right? Your next level resistance is 80 cents here. That's what you're looking for. Again, the hope is that you can hold above 767 here, guys, right? Hold above 67, right? But you're looking for 80 cents here for your next level of resistance. Around 80 cents there? Yep, that's it, right? So resistance. Resistance. Resistance, guys. That's your next level there. Mm, 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 mm. Look at that. S&P still going a little bit. AMC is ready to go back down. AMC is like, yep, I'm ready to, get down to it. Get right, get down to the party. Yeah, there you go. Unbelievable. Uh, BBBY is pumping again here. Interesting. Uh, Bitcoin looks good there, right? And the S&P as well, trying to go for a nice little run here. Uh, let's see here. Let me take a look at yeah, no, BBBY looks fine, right? So I almost want to get rid. I'm gonna get rid of AMC there, guys. It's get rid of that thing there for now. Wow, BBY is hitting like highs on highs on highs, and that's amazing. That's really interesting, guys. Like it's just going here, right? So it's going and going. So the moon. Um, mm, 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 mm. AMC said I'm tired. AMC said I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. How do you think? How high do you think BTC will when it's all sold out? What do you mean all sold out, Nick? How high do I think it's going to be? Again, the expectation here from institutions and a lot of people is that we're going to push back to 70K right end of the year. So yeah, again, I'm happy with just holding above holding support, not dropping anymore below 33, right? Below 35, that I'm happy with that. So Zella announced renewal of its service contract with a consulting firm. The total contract value is 35 million. So if you're wondering why Zella is moving, guys, that's it, right? So again, services, right? Renewal of services contract with consulting firm, right? Um, we talked about this earlier, right, guys? Again, AMC in discussions to refinance high interest rates debt, right? So we talked about this earlier. Here we go again, guys. Here we go again. With the S&P crashing again, guys. Look at that. Like look at this. Like you get all these candles trying to get back up. It takes one candle to erase everything and back to zero, guys. Unbelievable. There you go. There you go, there you go, there you go. So good to go. So again, we have BBBY here in the middle, guys. Again, this thing's done well, right? It's done well. It's been done better than most, right? It's sitting at the highs of the day, while most names are sitting at the lows, right? So it's done really well, right? So that looks good. Zella, CEI here, little retracement, right? Because S&P is selling off again, right? So there you go. Completely nuts, Helen. Completely nuts. AFC's a ginger kid in high school. Yeah. Mm, mm. Let's see here. AMC, AMC, AMC. Like all be mind. Okay. Do I think Bitcoin could hit $10 million? No. I mean, we're sitting at. You never know what could happen, right? So, but no, don't think so. Not right now. So not right now, guys. So let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we can take a break in a bit here, right? So I'll take a break for lunch, and if anything else happens, we can always come back. But yeah, so smash a like if you haven't already, hit that subscribe, and let us know if you have any last questions, guys. So again, the S&P, right, needs to hold about this 430 level for anything else to bounce, right? The Fed having their meeting tomorrow, right, to talk about interest rates and whatnot, right? So we talked about again Monday, Tuesday sell off, right, and then potentially, right, maybe we can see a little bit of magic into Wednesday, hopefully, right. BBIG's done a really good job of holding about $3, guys. Like an amazing job of holding at $3, right? Which is cool, right? What I'm using? It's called the buy sell signal. EK, so buy sell signal. So on TradingView, right? So if you want to use TradingView, the link is in the description there. So you can do that. And yeah. So and CI, yeah, CI is selling off here a little bit. So selling off a little bit. The red to green arrow. Oh, yeah, it's called the super trend EK on TradingView. So super trend volume one buy sell signal. Again, so what you want to do is go to indicators here, right? So do that, right? Search super, right? Super, and it's this one right here. So this one right here, that's what I'm using. So and then once you do that, you want to edit the settings and do factor one PD7 is what you want to do. So you want to do so display, is it display? Let me just do that here. So you want to go here to your settings, right? Once you're done that, so settings, inputs, right? Inputs, factor one, PD7, and you're good to go. You're good to go to start. Is Mumu good? Any good? Ellen, is Mumu any good? I have no idea. Like you mean like the platform? I have no idea. Um, yeah, those guys reached. Yeah, but like yeah, so those guys reached out to be like an affiliate link there, but they're just a link, like just an affiliate link. So Mumu. If BTC went to 10 million, inflation would make that worth 10,000. That's funny. The reds. What if last few days, guys? What unbelievable! Like it's been interesting, right? So I'm glad Bitcoin is let me pull that. They see what Bitcoin looks like here again now. So Bitcoin is sitting at 36.9. Let's just say 36.9, right? So um, hmm, get back about 37, please and thank you. Hopefully the bottom is in, guys. Hopefully the bottom is in for crypto, right? And we can start to look higher here. Hopefully the bottom is in. Yeah. Because we're tired of the dips, guys. We can't be having dips in the stocks, having dips in crypto. Like, where do we run to? Pokemon? Unbelievable. 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 Let's see. Ha ha ha. La. We left at 10 million. I mean, come on now. Come on now, Nike Pro. Not we're not really laughing. Like when it comes to crypto, not really laughing about any price targets because I know it's possible, right? I know it's possible. So it's just when you're looking at stuff that's like fall for out there, you might as well focus on things you can control, right? So again, what do we at now? Where do we need to go next, right? No one's even talking about $1 million for Bitcoin, not right now. Um, so there you go. Is that Beth Bath and Beyond? Yeah, selling off a little bit here. So nice little sell signal there, right? And it's yeah. So there you go. Damn, are you ready for daycare? Are you ready for daycare, guys? From a nice vacation in Florida, stop to CELA. Okay, nice. Run to McDonald's for chicken nuggets and Shamrock shake. Okay. The only things that doesn't keep going down, all my weights, my blood sugar. Yep. Unbelievable. Like we're over it. We're tired. We're ready. Ready for the pumps here, guys. La, la, la. There you go. So, so yeah, let me know if you have any last questions, guys, so we can take a break, right, and come back. if we're seeing some magic again. So in the next 20 minutes here is when we saw the market pump yesterday, right? So hopefully we can see something like that again here, right? So today, right? Hopefully we can see all these names here pump in the next few minutes, right? So I don't know if you want to wait for that to happen. What's going on with Zella? So Zella had some news. Dixon. So Zella says, right, so Zella announced renewal of services contract with the consulting firm, right? It valued at 35 million. So, um, yeah, so that's helping them pump this morning, right? Let's go, Carlos. Nice bullish pending coming from forming on AMC. Interesting. Um, a month is best thing you've heard in months is the McDonald's Dogecoin thing. I mean, there's nothing concrete to that though yet, right? There's nothing there yet. Um, yeah. RVLP is running as well. Okay, nice. Oh yeah, after lunch, let's go again. This 430 level, guys, is becoming like our support, right? It's becoming like our magnet support level. We keep pumping up this level, like we've done it 3 times already. The most annoying thing is that we keep coming back down, right? Again, 430 pump, 430 again pump, 430 again pump, and again pump, right? So we're bouncing up this level really amazingly, right? It's just annoying that we keep coming back down, and it's like, come on, guys, what do we need to do here to just go, right? So S&P, go, please and thank you. We've sacrificed goats, sacrificed chickens, sacrificed, shakes. What do we need to do here, guys? Evan, hello. Hello, hello, hello. There you go. The thought that Elon even addressed it was awesome. Exactly. No, Nike Pro. Yeah, the fact that Elon is even, um, right? The fact that Elon says, if you accept Dogecoin, I'm going to have McDonald's on TV. That's interesting, right? Elon hasn't given up on Dogecoin, so that's amazing. So need more pigeons. We need some pigeons, Justin. Right? First pump that biggie. Sinatra. We need nice candles. Is what we need. Yeah. We need some something, something. La, la, la. Yeah, we really not need not to come back below this 430, guys. Candles, Christy. Elon is a troll king. Guessing. So I have to. Knowledge is sweet. Or guessing game. So to have a billionaire acknowledge, yeah, I mean stocks. It shouldn't really be a guessing game, though, right, Drake? To some extent, yes, absolutely right. But research today announced. Yeah, Dixon. That's what we just shared, right? So, yeah, here we go, guys. Wow. So the S&P high today is I don't think, yeah. Like, I want to get back to 433 here, guys. Get back about 433. Is what I'm looking at here, right? Probably I got paid 1 million to do that. Star, yeah. Would you be surprised if Elon? Yeah, I don't know if you did. I don't think Elon cares about, So if someone like Matt Wallace, right? You could say that, right? Elon Musk, the richest person, $1 million. No, I don't think he get paid to say anything. Elon doesn't get paid to say anything. I don't think. Let's go. Yeah, guys, again, smash a like, hit that subscribe, and if you want to join Discord, guys, the membership link is pinned at the top of your live chat there. Hot damn, CI. Yeah, no, CI has done well. Zella's done well. Most of these smaller names have done really well, right? So market does seem like it wants to turn around here. The market has been giving us signs, right, over the last hour that it's trying to turn around. We just don't have that confirmation yet, but it's trying, right? We keep bouncing off 430 over and over and over, right? So, yeah, that's why you can see a lot of these names. Even crypto is turning around here now, which is a good sign. So, yeah, yeah, yeah. 67. So, CI here needs to hold about 67. Zella needs to hold about 50. 50? Don't remember. Could you imagine the marketing that would happen if McDonald's does accept Dogecoin? Exactly, Crystal, right? So that'd be amazing. So if you picked up some shares, some Dogecoin for 12 cents, 12.50, I'm sure you're really happy, right? So with the market looking like it wants to turn around here, the crypto market, if you picked up some Dogecoin, you're really happy, right? So extremely happy. La, la, la. My thoughts, Josh. Before you go, can you give me your thoughts on GLW to into earnings tomorrow? Good glass news today. Okay, sure. Let me take a look. Let me see. GLW. Get rid of that for now. GLW. Coining. Nice little double bottom here, Josh. It's trying to recover just like everything else, right? It seems to be following the S&P as well, right? So it seems to be finding a nice, at least for today, right? It seems to be finding a nice base around this level here, around 34, whatever, right? Let me take a look at the daily chart here and just to confirm that. Oh wow! But then it's funny though, because then when you take a look at the daily chart, right? That's why you always want to take a look at the bigger picture, guys, right? When you take a look at this, you're like, but this level though isn't too bad, right? Like $34. So you can see here, right? Initially resistance, right? So you're looking for that to come back and test that level. It's bouncing, like it's bouncing at this $34 level. I'm sure if the market does turn around as well, it seems to have sold off with the rest of the market too, and it's sitting at support just like everything else. So if the S&P just does turn around here, that's a good sign. And with earnings coming out, so it's almost like like Josh, if the market turns around and these guys, even if they're mediocre into earnings, right, they're gonna pump. Why? Because the sell off has been priced in already, right? Only concern with this name is even if they do beat earnings and the market crashes tomorrow, it's not gonna matter, right? So the S&P is still the factor for this name here, right? These guys again announce earnings. Whatever happens, right? The beat, miss, whatever happens. If the market pumps tomorrow, this thing could pump up this level nicely. So could pump up that level nicely in what AMC at, guys? Nothing at all, guys. Not doing a whole lot there. As yeah, yeah. Some prog. Yeah, I can do prog again. Nope, you're not gonna do prog. Yeah, prog is right. Look at prog now. Again, like it's all the same names, guys. Right? You guys notice that, right? CEI, prog, right? XELA. What do these names have in common, guys? They've been destroyed. Like they've been absolutely crushed, right? So these are just like bounces, right? They're just bouncing off again after going down for the last few months, right? So for the last month or so, look at prog, guys. Came back to this support here around this level, right? Um, Interesting. Yeah, so holding above $1 here, that's a good sign. Up 10 cents here now, right? Needs to clear, yeah, needs to get back above $1.50, right? $1.50 is the next level of resistance. It's confirmation that okay, maybe above $1.50 we can actually go for a nice run. If not though, meh, right? So prog does need that $1.50 level there. There you go. There you go. Oh, I need to do that layout thing there, star. So what's that? That's CEI. Yeah, CEI looks good. Looks good. Uh, I'm gonna set myself as a and have an IPO with. It's not that simple. You know that, right, Ellen? It's not that simple. All the money it's spent, right? Yeah. I mean, yeah. Mm, it's yeah. Those pro calls are super cheap, yeah. And it's only a matter of time before that thing bounced, right? So only a matter of time till these names bounced. Is Dyalla max? Should I take profits? 30% now, guy next door. If you're asking that, then you most like you can take a little bit. You can take profits, right? So yeah, maybe take half of your gains and then hold the rest if you want to. If you're not sure, right? So 30%, yeah, take some gains if you want to, and then you can hold the rest just in case anything happens, right? If not, well, you locked in some profits anyways. Gotta go through. Yeah, yeah. Mhm. Alrighty, guys. So we're gonna leave it here for now. Market is slow. Again, hopefully, right, in the next few minutes here, the next 30 minutes, right, we can pump just like we did yesterday, right? We can go for a nice run here, right? Pump to the moon and not look back. So if you haven't smashed a like yet, take a second, smash a like, hit that subscribe, and if you want to join us in Discord, right, membership link is pinned at the top there. Um, let's go, virus. 2 fingers. There you go. If not, we will see you on the next stream. Looking at Bitcoin there, guys. Bitcoin looks good, right? Bitcoin is back up. Like, look at Bitcoin go. Bitcoin, let's go. Pump, pump, pump. Back to 40K. Back to 40K, please and thank you. Right. So, Virus, two fingers. Let's go, Mono. Christy, thank you very much. Have a wonderful day, Christy. Peloton's drive is 27 again. Okay. Take the gains before the Fed talk. There you go. Musty, why is PayPal having difficulties with payments? Oh, I have no idea. Oh, like your PayPal for Discord, Musty? I have no idea why. Oh, because your name isn't green anymore. Come back, Musty. Why isn't it, I don't know why it's not continuing like on its own, Musty. Right? I don't know why PayPal. Because I could tell that PayPal had some issues. Oh yeah, Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is just going. Let's go. About to go off the screen, Bitcoin. Let's go. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Keep going. Was breathing hard. Tracy put on had issues with people this week too. Yeah, because I could tell that like a bunch of memberships were canceled. Right. So you just use a credit card. Yeah, because of PayPal. So, yeah. So if you're like just yeah, if your name isn't green anymore, you might just have to go take a look here and take a look at something else, right? So see if you can renew your stuff there. Yeah. Cause who? Anyone know where Jason Paulin is? Cause of him, I lost 40K in BBIG in Prague. Still holding. Okay. Yeah, he yeah. Again, it's because guys, it's like when I watch a lot of these streams, like when I watch, and these guys are amazing, like absolutely amazing, right? So when I watch people like that, I watch or like like I barely so when I see videos like that, right? So they talk a lot about like short interest data, right? They're like, okay, cost to borrow is this much. Short interest is this much. People get overly excited about that stuff, and people put in their life savings. I don't. Yeah, again, ignore that stuff for now, guys. Pay attention to the charts, right? So because the charts are a direct correlation to what people are doing, right? The way they're putting the money where the mouth is. That's what they're doing. But then when you start looking at short interest, you're like, well, that's the shorts information, right? You don't know what the shorts are gonna do. The shorts don't have to cover. They can cover whenever they want. They can crash it. AMC. What look at AMC is a really good example, right? So when we take a look at that, right, and be careful. So when you watch any YouTube channel and they tell you about short interest or cost to borrow and this and this and this, still be careful. If it aligns with the chart, right, if it aligns with your technicals, that's amazing, right? If it doesn't, well, be careful. Be careful. No. There you go. So I don't own credit cards. Only Americans have that. Americans, Musty. Yeah, I don't know why. You might have to see if you can retry it again, Musty. See if you can retry. If you have any questions, you need help, just send an email to the email at the top of the screen there. See if we can try and fix that, right? And again, guys, that's what's so annoying about the S&P, right? So again, like we keep bouncing off this 340, 440, 430 level, but it's selling off again. It's like we're just doing absolutely nothing today. Pump, back down, right? So not a whole lot happening. They just got us addicted to credit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alrighty, so we're gonna end it here. Again, thank you guys very much for being here and supporting. Have a wonderful afternoon. We'll come back for lunch if there's something happening. Right. Yeah. So have a wonderful afternoon, guys. Mono, Evan, Trick, Annex, Musty, Nick. My name is Green still, yeah? Your name is Green, Nick. Your name is Green. Your name is you're good. You're good. Virus, let's go, Virus. Go crypto, let's go, Iron. Go crypto, yeah, absolutely right. Crypto is looking really good, actually, right? So, yeah, again, Bitcoin is above 37K here. Amazing, right? What do we want to see here next, guys? 40K. Give us 40K, Hugh. Have a good afternoon. Be safe, Hugh. No dangerous scalps, Queen. You baking some cookies. See ya, Big Spark. Ciao, AK, Tesh, bye. Justin, see you later. Emmer, thank you. No, thank you, Musty. Bye, NJ. Take care, Scotty. Yeah, so crypto again. I'm sure we're happy, right? So happy, happy, happy. So yeah, crypto stream tonight, right? Crypto stream tonight here, and then we can go from there. Uh, thanks. I'll be coming back to make our own choice. Let's go. Yeah, right. Just chilling. There you go. Absolutely. Choices. Thank you. Uh, Back for the good advice. Okay, sounds good. No friends. Sarah, see you later. Art, see you later. Carlos, enjoy the day as well. Bye, Beth. George says, okay, bye. No, no, no. Okay, sounds good. Bobby, have a wonderful day. Ellen, cool trades. Let's go. Trade. Okay, sounds good. Let's we have crypto. Let's we have crypto, guys. Yeah, if crypto is pumping, we might just come back with crypto. Um, Peace, Carlos. Have a wonderful day. Star, have a good day. There you go, Amber or Pixie. There you go. Bye, guys. Bye, all.